Alrighty, what is good? What's the deal? Good morning everyone. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. As you come on in, like the stream, let everyone know, like the stream when you come on in. And we're gonna get started here in a second. Let me just take care of Zoom. Let's get this. What a day, man. Thursday coming in. Saved some bullets yesterday on stream. I did end up taking 2 positions after stream yesterday. One was a very quick sell on gold, and then the other one, and that one we got about 30 pips, and then the other one was break even. What's good? Let's run this thing back. All right, let me just set up Zoom. Let me get the Zoom link out to the Zoom guys. Hey guys, all I ask is that you start sharing our content. So if you guys know any traders, you come on here, share the link to the stream so they can come on in and they can start to see the charts in a different way, right? Not many people trade like us. I think we are the minority in our trading style. A lot of people trade intraday, they trade trend lines, indicators, all that stuff. Not many people are just zooming in on candles and trading price action. So it's a breath of fresh air, right? When you see the simplicity of how we trade. So yeah, man, share the stream with as many traders as you can, and that way we can start putting more people on. Oh, look at that! I'm about to share the YouTube link to the Zoom guys. All right. Boom. All right, I think we're good. We are good. Let's see. How'd this 1 hour candle close? Or how's it closing? All right, cool. So let's get started. We're gonna do a quick breakdown here on gold, and yeah, we'll see where we're at, what we got going on. Let me just lower the music just a little bit. All right, so let's take a look at gold. Everybody here, let me just do one more thing. Whoops. All right, cool. All right, what do we got? 50 people here? All right, cool. Let's get it going. And as everyone comes in, they can rewind the stream if they need to. But if you guys can, just like the stream. Before we get to this top-down analysis, let's get the likes up. I think we got like, what, 14 likes? 50 people here. So if you guys could like the stream real quick before we get everything popping here. So, or as we get everything popping. So let's take a look. Weekly, monthly, let's take a look real quick. All right, you guys ready? Ooh, 17, 19 likes, 20 likes. All right. All right, cool. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here, because it's pretty interesting. Let's see, because we know we have when we're coming into the weekly time frame here on gold, what we got here is lots of rejections in the area, right? Lots of rejections here. One thing I noticed that's a big thing is that this weekly candle right here still doesn't really have much of a bottom wick, right? If we take a look at that bottom wick, some of you guys like, that's like it made a bottom wick, and like, you know, not really, right? Like when some of you guys enter positions, you enter off of this. This isn't what I mean by a bottom wick. Like that is a very, very small bottom wick, right? Now, can price still go up? Absolutely. But I mean, you see these bottom wicks? Like these are like your standard bottom wicks, right? Top wicks. Not this. That is just forcing your way into a trade, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? There's nothing wrong with it. You could do whatever you need to do, but that's considered pretty much no wick. All right, so let's take a look here. So we know that this candle has a very, very small bottom wick here. Now it's pushed up, it's coming into these weekly rejections here, right? So we had the last couple weeks, we've rejected this area 3 times. We may reject it again here this week as well, being that there is really no bottom wick there, and chances are this candle could flip bearish and, you know, close back or close very weak bullish by tomorrow. So that's something to keep an eye on here. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. One thing we do know is that the weekly did close above this resistance right here, right? But again, I don't think it's got the juice here, right? The juicer, right? I don't think it's got the juice to push due to that bottom wick right there. So let's take a look, scale down to the daily time frame here. Daily time frame did close bearish yesterday as well, and we did mention this. We've been talking about this since Monday, right? Since Monday or Friday last week, that gold could start rejecting in these areas, right? If we look left, the data that we have on the monthly time frame is gold. At one point, gold was up here, right? This candle right here that's bearish, at one point it looked like this strong bullish candle, and then boom, back down the range, right? Same thing with this weak bullish candle. At one point, this candle was all the way up here talking a big game, right? Talking big game, and then close back down. So all we know is what we could see, right? All we know is what actually happened, and what actually happened many times, the last 3, 4, 5 times that we've been here, it's just been rejection, right? So very high probability we reject. Now, not 100% probability, nothing is going to be 100% probability in trading, right? So not 100% probability, but if we do go based off of what's here, we do notice there's rejections, right? So going back to the daily time frame now, if we're bearish, we've created a top wick. We came down to this low, but we never broke it. Now, where can this daily candle go to? Well, we have a support right here, and we have a resistance, right? If price is breaking back into the range and creating a resistance, there's a very high chance that we continue down, break the low, and retest this support right here. So that's going to be pretty much the target here today, is this support at 2016. Anything below that is money, because this daily candle, if this was a 30-minute time frame, you can totally see, you know, a 30-minute candle doing something like this, right? Closing below. So we can totally see something like this today as well. We do have news coming in here at 8:30, I believe. So yeah, we've already made the low on the 4-hour. Now it's time to possibly start rejecting up here and breaking these lows. I will be looking to take sells from up here today. I do understand what this move is, right? We had a push down. There was really no entries for us at all in this move, but now that we're coming back up to make a new higher low, we should start to come down based off of this daily time frame here, right? So we're anticipating the break of the re-break of the lows to continue down, right? And that's what we're looking for here today. That's what I'm looking to take advantage of here today. So let's take a look. On the 4-hour, we have a resistance up here. Clean traffic to the left. If we break these highs, this is also the daily high as well. And then you have a support right here, or you could say right here, right? You have a resistance, so you come down, you create a support. You have your most recent resistance. This candle broke through that support, closed below. Now this candle right here is we don't know, right? It's making a top wick, or it's gonna fake out back into the range. We don't know just yet what this candle's doing, but we do know that we already broke the 4-hour low. If we do start to come down now, that would be the new 4-hour top wick, and this 4-hour candle could look something like this, you know, by 9 a.m. today. right? We don't know, right? That's price action. That's what could happen. We are breaking back into this range. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame so we can get a little bit more information on exactly what's going on here, right? So if we take a look at the 1 hour, we have a support here. We have a resistance here. At one point, we had a resistance here and a support here, right? So what is this? Is this now breaking below, coming back, retesting the support to continue down, to move with the daily time frame here, right? That's something that we can take a look at and anticipate happening. If you start seeing hesitation up here and you start seeing candles closing either weak bullish or bearish, right? Well, you know that there's going to be a nice sell-off, right? To push down, to re-break the daily lows and continue down here today. So that's what I'll be looking to take advantage of. That's my priority today, is to get into these gold sells, right, on the daily, and ride down with the volume here, right? Have the markets push us in a direction, re-break the lows, come down and retest the support. What is this? Let's take a look at what this is. 2017 down here. So yeah, somewhere, anywhere in this range, we'd be looking to target here today. I do see like supports. Let me just see. Right, we have, let's just say support, right? A lot of choppiness on the way down, but if we're catching it from up here, we have clean traffic at least down to 2022 here, right? At least down to there, clean traffic to the left-hand side. This is the daily flip, right around this area. So as we break above and below, this is the daily candle flipping bullish, back to bearish, back to bullish. So as long as we can get signs and confirmations down here on these lower time frames of candles closing bearish, we will get in for this ride, man, from up here. So yeah, so that's basically gold right now. Gonna be looking for buys above this resistance here at 2035 420. So buys above there, and those are gonna be clean buys above there. And then sells below anywhere we start getting any rejection from. Maybe we'll look at sells below here. Excuse me, this support right here. If you can get a closure below, I think we can continue down. So we'll mark that up. We'll take a look at that on the 15-minute time frame too. Yeah, that's not too bad. Or like I said, any sign of rejections or resistances, right? If we can get a resistance formed on the 30-minute or the 1 hour, that would be perfect. Perfect. But right now we did close above, price is pushing up. I'm not taking these buys because we are extremely bearish, right? So some of you guys are taking these buys or thinking about taking the buys. I am definitely not taking these buys here. We are super bearish on the day. At any point, this could be a fake out. So yeah, but that's gonna be the scoop here on gold today. Gonna probably stay out of this range, unless, again, whether we make this resistance here or here, it doesn't matter to me. I just want to see some sort of resistance formed on the 30-minute or the 1 hour time frame. And wherever that is, that may very well be up here. Wherever that is, then we will look to take advantage of sells. All right. All right, sweet. Push it. Not bad. You had clean traffic here too, but again, going against that higher time frame, not too good. All right, so that's gonna be gold here today for me. If we do get a closure above 2035 here, then I'll be looking to target 2045 up there, which is about 100 pips. So clean range up here. Clean range. Definitely not taking buys anywhere in this range here. So I'm going to be staying out of this range today. Not going to touch anything in here. But anything above, what did we say? 35 is pretty clean up here. You got a nice 100 pip range. Clean traffic to the left hand side here. And then anything below 28, anything below 28, I'll look to take advantage. Go moving with the higher time frames. If we're moving with higher time frames and we got volume and all that good stuff on our side, we'll start breaking through these supports on the way down pretty easily, and we should be able to get down to 2017 here today. So that is the story, my friends, on gold. So that's what we're gonna wait for. Gonna wait for some sort of resistance formed in this range here. It doesn't have to be here. It can be. I think we can start to get rejections, but it could be up here as well. So wherever it is, we'll wait on it and we'll be there, right? We'll be there to see if we can execute on a position. All right, so that's gonna be gold here today. GJ, and then let's take a look at pound yen here. So pound yen. So starting to get these rejections here on the monthly time frame as well, being that this candle had no top wick. We all understand at this point, I believe, that when candles don't have top wicks, there's no range for the next candle to push up in, right? This candle closed with no top wick. I believe if this candle could have closed something like this, right, then you may have had the range to go up, but no top wick, no range here. So I do believe that's why we are getting those rejections, and probably gonna start moving bearish a little bit. We need some sort of a pullback. We've been pushing up for quite some time. There's a necessary retracement here. So, and that's telling the story on the weekly time frame, right? So weekly time frame closed bearish, but right below here, this candle closed no top wick as well. This was the monthly candle, closed bearish. This candle's made a nice top wick. As we talked about yesterday, it should continue down. Let's see the daily time frame. Daily doesn't have a top wick yet, but we do have a resistance here. We have a support right here. High chance if we're breaking this low, we should come down to retest this support as well. So let's see what that is. It's about 45 pips. If we scale down to the 4-hour time frame, it looks like you have a support here, you have a resistance right here, and this is the range that you're currently in. So you got pretty clean traffic below here. A lot of wick rejections, a lot of wicks, so very smart to wait for a candle to close here. But let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is rejecting. If we notice, we have a new resistance and a new support here, and this is pretty much what I'd be waiting for. Closure below all this nasty stuff to the left here too as well. You see that? You really want to get a close below that support. So yeah, closure below there, and it's not bad, right? You got a range here. It's a little choppy, but you know, depending on when volume comes in and when that closure actually happens, then yeah, you might be good. So 30-minute time frame, yeah. Wow, nasty rejection. A lot of fundamental news on the pound here today. So yeah, that's GJ. It's in a nasty range here. Had some news going on, getting price all funky. I believe once you break out of this this range, we'll have some better direction. So gold and GJ today are both bearish. That doesn't happen all the time. So it may be smart to wait. These are probably good. Either way, we got to get past this. So yeah, so that's what I'll have here for pound yen. So sells below 169, and if you want, you can even wait till, what is this, 168.669. If you want to avoid all that traffic, you could just wait down here, and you have clean traffic below. So what's that look like on the daily? Oof, that's pretty deep, pretty deep. Yeah, pound yen's a bit tough here today. You're bearish, but you got a lot of traffic here to the left. I think you have a very small daily top wick, right? Yeah, the top wick is very small. we have already broken the low, so we'll have to see how these lower time frames start playing out here. But it looks like a range day here for pound yen, unless you can get a strong breakout. Just a lot of choppiness. There was a lot of news with the pound here this morning, so yeah, some of you guys were in and out of trades, swooping in and out of trades on pound yen this morning. But yeah, so that's gonna be the day. Buys are pretty clean above here if we're looking at the 1 hour time frame, so we'll stick with that. You guys can take sells below here. Shouldn't be, well, maybe it could be an issue, but below here is probably the cleanest. So I don't know about pound yen today. Not too sure about pound yen today. Not looking too good. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Now we wait. Now we sit and we wait.
Good morning, brother.
And there he is.
How we doing?
Broke 4 hour highs. Oh, I'm doing great, man. How about you?
Amazing.
Yes, sir. Super grateful today.
Hell yeah, bro. Good morning, chat. What's going on?
Gold is pushing up here.
Yeah, facts.
Once he got that close above, it ran. Very little bottom wick though.
Yeah.
I have doubt. I always draw support and resistance based on 30-minute and move to 15 and I adjust the lines. It's correct or don't need to adjust. Yeah, no, I mean you have to adjust. So if we're gonna take a position off the 1 hour, then we can probably keep it here because this is where that 1 hour resistance is. But if we're bringing it down to, like, let's say the 15-minute, you may want to adjust it above here. This may be your best bet. Same thing with the 30-minute. You have a resistance right here. How big is that range? I mean, it's a decent range. It's a 26 pip range. But if you're gonna have, let's say, this right here, right on the, and you're looking at the 1 hour time frame, and then a 30-minute candle closes above, then you may want to wait on that 30 to close above here. I mean, this is a pretty decent range, but if it was like smaller, then like if it was like this resistance right here, then you may just want to boom, adjust it. But if you're going to take the position off the 1 hour, then this is going to be the resistance. You just got to make sure you have proper 1 hour supports, right? I mean, stop losses and take profits. Sometimes those are going to change. Right, if you have a 4 hour stop loss, well, it's technically probably going to be all the way down here, right? But if you have a 1 hour stop loss, it could be down here. If you have a 15-minute stop loss, it could be right below here. So whatever time frame you're basing the trade off is the stops, the take profits that you need to use. Because if you're taking it off the 15, then you definitely want to take some profits off right here. But on the 1 hour time frame, that's not there. And the 1 hour time frame should have the juice because it's a higher time frame to push above that, right? So it's all about which time frame you're actually basing your trade off of. That's what you need to go off of when it comes to stops, ranges, and take profits and all that good stuff.
Good morning, Scott.
News in 15. That was on pound yen.
Yep.
Oh, a lot of people said good morning. Thank you guys. Good morning.
Mhm.
I'm gonna grab some grub. Let Nick do this breakdown. Oh, okay, cool. Sammy boy. Still
Chat,
shot.
it's just another day of discipline and patience, right? How are we gonna win the day today? By being disciplined and patient, right? For our setups, for our opportunities. That's how we're gonna win the day. And you win the day by following your plan. So as long as you follow your plan today, you win. So don't let emotions get to you. Keep steady. Keep logic behind it, everything, and let's have a great day.
Yes, sir.
That's
Let's
it.
have a great day. I'm feeling a
Keep it
really
simple.
good one today. Honestly, I
Yeah,
just
same.
woke up feeling like we're gonna get a banger here today.
Me too, bro. I'm feeling it.
An absolute banger. Where's Green
I
at? Didn't see Green here. What'd you do? You took a
took
trade in
0
London?
trades this week.
Oh, okay.
And I'm being patient for that one opportunity. And that's it.
You got one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted.
That's it.
What up, Austin? Good morning. Good morning, Ray Capital.
Morning, Austin.
Ray Capital. What up,
Good, Ray
Jason? Good
Capital.
morning, bro. AU looks good. Higher time frame bearish. Oh, nice. I don't trade AU, but AU was one of the pairs that really drew me into trading because that's the pair I made my biggest trade when I first started trading. It was a $300 trade. I was sitting in Panera Bread with my wife, showed my wife we could do this. I just made $300 in one day, and I didn't go to work. I traded. It was on a trade. Closed the trade. She looked at it. She was like, "Wow." She believed in me from that point. $300 on AUD USD, man. Good times.
Yo, good morning.
Good morning, Sam. How we
Good
doing?
morning, Sam.
How we feeling today? Feeling like I'm
great.
telling you, bro, I'm feeling a banger.
I'm feeling lots of volume. Like, did you see the shark that was smelling the blood in the Discord?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's hungry. It's time to eat
yeah,
here,
bro.
chat.
He said, that's good.
It's time to eat.
Yep.
We hungry.
Wow, gold is flying right now.
Yeah, gold
We
is crazy.
hungry. Gold is
G Joes.
pushing.
G Joes.
Maybe we come up here before news and then news smacks it down. Hey, if we do get a close above here, then I may be interested, but we're gonna have to wait for this one. See is a perfect example, right? 1 hour, we got this resistance, we got clean traffic to the left, but look what time it is. It's 7:23. So what candle is about to close, right? It's gonna be the highest candle that's about to close is gonna be a 30-minute candle, right? So if we're gonna take a trade now, and we're gonna scale down to the 30-minute time frame, then this no longer becomes our resistance, right? Now this becomes the resistance, because if price closes right where it's at and we get into buys and we start not banging through the door of that resistance, then we start rejecting, right? So being that we're switching time frames here, we have to adjust that resistance and make sure that we're waiting for a break above here and not just a break above here now, because again, what do we have now? There's an invisible ceiling right here that you can't see, that if we don't break through that, then there's a chance that we could reject it. So if we are using the 30-minute for an entry, then that's the resistance we're gonna have to close above in order for us to get into a position here, right? So boom, so we got to adjust that now.
Yep.
So that's a perfect example of your question right there. Live in action.
Yo, good
Each,
morning, Scott. Good morning, Ray. Had a good
Each
day.
time frame is a chapter, and you're telling the story, right?
Yeah.
You gotta adjust it.
Yeah. 90 people watching, 33 likes. Hey, can we all hit the like button? Can
Yeah,
we all
we
hit
need
the
that.
Can we all hit the like button real quick, because
Sam gets OCD when it's on all
Yeah,
numbers.
because then Sam goes and breaks his monitors, and we don't want to keep seeing Sam break his monitors, you know?
I don't know.
I don't want to have to keep spending money on them.
Nope.
There we go. She's going up.
I'm sitting here
I want to see
looking.
that like button juice.
I'm sitting here looking at 90 people watching and 30 likes, and I'm just like,
Bruh.
come on.
Yeah, here we go.
It's time, gang.
For real, bro.
Let's go. Like the stream, wake up. Let's get to it here, man. We're going to get
How about
positions
that
here.
right before PPI.
We're
hits?
getting a banger here today, chat. We're getting a banger. Look at Tandy. Tandy
Yeah, I
just got
see
a.
what you did.
Tandy was the last fight. Now it's time for a new one.
Oh man, I feel like I got rocked last night, bro. I don't know what's going on.
That's how some of you guys look like right now, trading GBPJPY during the news.
Oh, wow, it reversed.
Yeah, man, this thing tanked. What up, Tandy?
What is happening right now? I'm just like,
Bro,
yo,
Good, Tandy.
you just walked
What's
into
up?
the arena, my friend.
dude, I just don't get what came out. What's moving? What,
Oh
why is
yeah,
GBP rate hike
yeah, rate hikes here on
Oh.
pound.
for the pound, yeah.
Yep.
So, we'll see what it does, but honestly, it should come up.
Due to them rate hikes,
Yeah,
and then
but price action is saying otherwise, so
yeah, why is pound rejecting like that?
I don't know. If you go to the 5, it looks like it's like creating a little bit of support, but if it goes and breaks that low, it's probably gone, bro. But it
It's a
looks like it
goner.
might lip on that 15 and maybe do a little wick fill or something.
5-minute bleeder,
Yeah, that's what that smells like, bro.
running.
Yeah, this is where you just wait for your setups.
Just blood in the water.
We were just making a wick for that hourly candle right there.
You could maybe take like an impulse on the break of the low. but
Yeah, on the 5.
What would your stop be? That's the only thing.
You gotta keep 5-minute highs. Because if you break the highs, you're gonna come up and make a top wick anyway, and maybe even push up. So you might as well, if you're using fixed lots, keep it tight.
Right.
Keep it tight and break that low. You may see a strong push. But
Not my setup.
not me.
I
ain't doing it.
yeah.
But
Like I said too, like
yeah.
fundamentally it should be going up because if they're gonna increase the rates, then
Right.
they're gonna decrease the supply of
yeah,
pounds, so it's
There
gonna
you
become
go.
more scarce. It's gonna increase in price.
yeah, breaking the high now. So yeah.
It looked like it was just making a wick.
Yeah.
No.
Anything I say about the 5, just
But
don't
yeah,
listen.
still, that's what I was just gonna say. Still though, even while I'm saying this and I'm expecting it to go up, I'm not gonna be sitting here buying it right now. I just
No.
don't set up.
You got super clean buys above 69,710 there. Instead of trying to get a sniper entry, you know?
Right, like you don't need to.
Nah,
Just wait for
you
your
really
setups.
Hey, one of the things
Be
I
patient.
don't think I've ever wrote this in my journal, but whenever I every morning I write 5 things that I'm grateful for. And today I never wrote this, but today I wrote, man, I am so grateful for my setup and my entry types. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, I'm so grateful that we get to keep it so simple. We wait for price to do familiar things. We look for clean traffic to the left. We know our setups, we know our entries, and if it fits the plan, we have a banger trade 9 out of 10 times. Like, bro, I am
real.
super grateful for that. I'm instead of
100%,
trying to
man.
predict up here, like, oh, we're getting the bounce. All right, let's line this thing up here. We break this neckline, stops above here, take profits all the way down here, and yeah, man, we're good to go. Hold up, let me grab an Instagram flick. All right, now we just gotta wait for this thing to play out. Like, dude, I'm so grateful that we can just keep this thing so damn simple and make a living doing it, man. Wow, incredible, just incredible. And that's what I
all
was
they have
saying.
to do is wait for it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying too. Like in the morning, like share the stream, like share the link to people, because we are a minority in the trading space. Like in the trading industry overall, not a lot of people are trading the way we're trading, zooming in, trading candlesticks, trading price action, and keeping it literally that simple. You know, a lot of traders are doing intraday trading and trend lines and fibs and moving averages and smart money and, you know, bank zones and all these crazy things, and we're literally just looking at candles. So I was thinking about that this morning. I'm like, wow, I'm super grateful that a simple guy like me found a simple trading plan that I can you know, lock in on for years to come.
100%, bro.
Got to break that neckline.
Let me do that right now, bro. Let me get my post up on the IG story. Believe it or not, I actually was going to. I have my camera open on the IG. Let me see, and I believe I have the link copy too, so that'd be even more facts.
Right now, you weren't gonna do it. You're glazing right now.
Let's go. Hey, imagine if everyone shared the
What
link.
is that?
You're glazing, bro.
There you
You're
go.
glazing.
Now it's like a habit for me too, because
We got the Bollinger Bands, but the EMA, the Fibonacci, and the RSI.
But the Bollinger Band ain't lining up, but the Fibonacci's there. We're at the key bank
I'm
level.
glazing, bro. I'm glazing. Yo, I just heard someone say that the other day for the first time. I thought that was so
We tapped into
funny.
that moving average 4 times.
No,
Glaze.
That's our 3rd tap on that trend line.
hey,
For real. That's so difficult to understand for most people. It's crazy.
order blocks, smart money concept. Like, what the?
Got it all going.
Get out of here. Order blocks, dog? What the fuck? Yo, what up, Joe? What up,
I'm
Scott?
pretty.
What up?
If I'm not wrong, I'm pretty sure like order block same thing is just like a range.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this 30-minute time frame, that's an order block. Or whatever.
Yeah,
I
I'm not sure if anybody
I just
trades
call it-
smart money in the chat wants to.
Yeah, I'm not too sure either. But
But,
to
like,
me,
I
it
don't-
just looks like a resistance or a support.
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah, saying yeah, that's exactly. You can call it whatever the hell you want to. Order block.
Yeah.
It's where most liquidity's at.
But it's just like you're gonna lose me if you start getting crazy with it.
Yeah, man.
All the terminology and
Put on the volume.
bro, what?
And
Like I remember whenever smart money was like just like that order block, wait for the order block with a buy limit or something. Dude, now I look at the charts and it says like BOS and like all this like crazy
CHOCH.
yeah, choke, whatever the hell it is, bro. I'm
Change
like,
your character.
I had someone like,
it goes
So
deep,
strange,
man.
bro.
You
Like,
can
Brad.
you can even go deep and get into the quarter point theory and GJ and the pound and the QPs and all that crazy stuff. 750, 500, 000, man. Come on, we've learned it all. We've learned it all, and to
That sounds
me,
like-
this is the best.
That sounds like some Scientology shit right there.
Oh, what it do? Y'all been tied up this week, but got some. Oh, by the way, got shirt designs coming for time to eat. Hey, yo.
Hey, cruising.
Let's
Oh, it's
go.
good, dog.
W.
Hey, bet, bro.
W. Cruising.
George, Green, Austin, Scott,
Scotty boy.
Roosevelt.
Day 2. Oh wow.
D-game.
Time to eat shirts. Yeah. Yeah, we actually been talking about that quite a bit lately.
Pablo.
yeah, that's crazy. I still need that email, bro. I swear I never got it.
Oh man, no, Tandy's email, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say, did I forget to send you something?
Wait, didn't you end up? Nah, hold on, bro. I remember when we were. Stop the cap. Wait, no, you didn't send it to me.
Oh damn, cruising. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, it's gonna be dope. We're gonna have a little trademark too on our shirts and our hats, so they know it's official.
Another lit thing about our strategy as scalpers, we're in and out.
Yeah,
Like, we're not in the trade the freaking whole day. Like, we're not at the gym looking at a trade and drawdown. Like, we're here sitting down, we wait for a setup. If it happens, we execute, and we're in and out like that.
Yup.
And we continue it on with our day.
Facts.
So that's another awesome thing about our strategy.
Come in, get the job done, and get out.
Yep.
Yeah, I love Raja was in that interview. He's like, man, some of you guys are in the gym. You're doing your bench presses. Like, oh, draw down. You get another 10, 8, 9, 10. Oh, back to break even. Oh, 10. Oh, back to drawdown. Man, I can't live that way. I really can't live that way. I need to lock in, get it done, and then get out. Like that's I love that. Right? You come into the office. We spend 4 hours in the office every day, and that's it.
Yeah.
You know, lock in and get up out of here.
Yep.
I'm trying to understand how fundamentals work in the markets, but I still can't understand fundamentals. How to understand fundamentals? Yeah, read about economical news going on. These guys, both Tandy and Sam, are really good. I mean, what resources do you guys like to look at?
I learned a lot from Capital Hungry. Yeah.
Look at, they both said the same thing.
Capital
they didn't even know I was going to ask that.
It's super good. Well, I think he's probably like, because he breaks down the fundamentals with the chart. So
to the biggest, to the most simplest form, bro, all the way down. It is the best, without a doubt.
Yep.
I mean, he really gets into it too.
Yep. And he has free live streams on YouTube every night or every one night out of the week or something.
No, he has some of the best videos I've ever watched on not only fundamentals though,
right,
mindset, being a man, being a freaking human, he is amazing. So just materialism, bro, everything, bro. Just check him out here on YouTube, Capital Hungry. Right here. He's got videos for days.
He's super valid too. Raja would bring him on stream a couple times.
Yeah, he's hardcore though, so you better have some,
Yeah, if you're not pulling up and taking notes, don't even bother.
Yeah,
don't be sensitive, dude.
Yeah, don't be sensitive. Nah, honestly though, you go to these playlists right here, and you watch some of these psychology, self-development, social rants. Which ones? Which are the other ones? Yeah, these ones, man, these are a whole nother game. These are amazing. The hunt of trading, weak men create difficult times, dollar domination. These are, if you guys will definitely be smarter after watching these. I guarantee you that. I'm telling you, man, these are amazing videos right here. Some of the best on the internet. You're not gonna find many.
Yeah, one of my favorite ones by him is I think it's the War on Masculinity or something.
Yeah, that one was good. This one.
That's when I that thing woke me up. I was like, wow, that's actually crazy.
Yeah. Some of you guys really need to watch this one. How to build discipline and self-control. Right? You see, I watch these. Right? So you guys got to do the work, man. You got to do the work behind the scenes. It's not just showing up to the charts every day, right? You're never gonna. If you want to be really good at fundamentals, you got to really do the work. You got to dive deep into it. So that's, in a way, that's an asset that you're developing, right? That's a weapon that you're gaining by learning this knowledge here. Russia-Ukraine war stuff that was happening. These are amazing. Amazing. Materialism will destroy your life. This was amazing right here.
The one with the dopamine, which one was that? Remember that one?
Yo, that one too.
Dude, that one was
He has a lot of good stuff on IG as well. If you go to his Instagram, he's got a lot of good stuff on Instagram. He has a few more on IG than I think he may have left out of YouTube. But yeah, taking personal responsibility with your trading psychology, having confidence versus an ego. This is just amazing stuff. Yeah, these are great. These are really good. So yeah, quick plug for Capital Hungry, man. And every time I hit him up, he always replies back to me. We always, he's a good dude. Good dude. So. But
the other places you could learn too is just start by listening to Robert Kiyosaki. Dude, he wrote Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Yeah.
He talks about it a lot as of recently too. Who else?
Yeah, Robert Kiyosaki's great. I've been following him for years.
There's another person too that's blew my mind, bro.
You know that dude Mark Moss or something? Mark Mark Moss, I think his name is. He's really good. Alrighty, we got 20 minutes for the NY Open here, but yeah, those are some people, those are some things, right, that you can tap into if you want to get better at fundamentals. And hey, whatever you want to get better at, regardless in life, you're gonna have to put in that work, right? You're gonna have to go seek out that information, go find it, right? It takes work. It takes work to do these things, but if you want to get good at it, you're gonna have to, you know, after the stream or whenever you have time, like in your day-to-day life, you gotta make time to sharpen those skills, to sharpen that axe, so that way when you come here to the charts, you have a nice sharp axe that you can cut with, right? Your mindset is right, your discipline is there, you know what you're looking for in the markets, right? You're not gonna budge on just some random trade, right? If every trade goes to putting food in my kid's mouth, why would I ever take a stupid trade, right? It's not worth it. It's not worth it to take a dumb trade, right? And man, if I would have been able to avoid all those dumb trades early on, oh my God, life would be crazy right now. But at the end of the day, you're gonna have to fail your way to success, right? And that's okay. So it's just coming to a point now where you hear us saying these things over and over again, and you just say, you know what, I'm gonna get it this time. It's not gonna fall on deaf ears this time. I'm not gonna let my greed get in the way this time. I'm not gonna let my ego get in the way, right? I'm gonna set a new plan. I'm gonna start right now, and I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm gonna learn about fundamentals on my spare time, right? I'm gonna learn about price action in my spare time. Whatever it is that you guys want to work on, right? Read books, watch YouTube. That's all you need at this point, right? That's all you need. So yeah, that's gonna be good.
If you look at anyone who has achieved greatness in their life, they put in the work, right? They had that separation, they had that drive, determination, that attitude, right? Every person who's achieved greatness, they're all similar.
Yeah.
So you got to do the habits of the people who are success, right? Who are successful.
Yep. Yeah, and being disciplined is doing things that you don't want to do when no one's watching, right? No one's gonna know you did it. You're not gonna be sharing. You don't have to put the story on IG. I'm studying fundamentals tonight. You know, you don't have to do any of that. You just do it, right? You just do it and sometimes you're not gonna want to do it, right? You're gonna want to do something else. You're gonna want to watch some easy YouTube video where you could sit back and watch some kid drive his Lamborghini, right? But instead, you're doing the hard work. You got your notebook out. You're focusing on some things that you don't know much about. It's unfamiliar, but it's gonna become familiar as you continue to learn, as you continue to grow in that skill set. So big tip right there, man.
Yeah, and any goal you're going for, the journey is gonna have trial and errors, right? And it's up to you to get through those trials and errors and help those failures work for you, right? Work in a positive way for you.
Yeah.
So you have to figure out how to make your failures be your teachers and work for you.
Yep.
Because every failure, right, has a seed of a equivalent vantage point, right? Every failure brings with it success. So whatever it is you failed at, you just got a clue on how you could be more successful at it.
Exactly.
You got to look at it that way, not how 95% of the world looks at it and just gives up, right?
Yep. You got to look at failure differently.
You got to have that separation from yourself, from the other average people,
yep,
which is majority of the people in the world.
One of the best things my mentor told me early on was fail fast.
Oh.
Fail as fast as you can. When you're diving into something new and you don't know much about it, fail as fast as possible, because on the other side of that failure is going to bring success, right? Like John said, every seed of failure, right, or adversity brings with it another seed of an equal or greater benefit, right? So fail your way and learn from those mistakes. Mistakes are good. A lot of times we grow up in a education system where failure was not good, right? If you failed a test, that is not good. If you did this in school, did that, right? Not good. That's not the way I'm going to be teaching my kids, right? We need to fail. We need to fail fast, fail often, and fail forward, right? And learn from
Fair.
learn from those mistakes. We're taught that failure is a bad thing, but I got news. I got a different perspective for you, because failure is a great thing, right? As long as you can start learning from the failure and make the adjustments. And you guys have heard it, right? Use it as a stepping stone, right? Use it as a stepping stone to move forward.
There is no success without failure. You know, you're gonna go through it.
Yeah. Let me try and speak Spanish.
To use it for you.
I don't speak a lick of Spanish. Maybe a couple words, but let me try and learn Spanish and not mess up a word. Like, come on, right? Let me try and learn trading, something I never did before, and not lose a trade. Like, it's gonna happen. You're gonna lose in the beginning, right? That's why very few people become financially free. That's why very few people are successful. That's why very few people are business owners. Very few people are in athletes, right? Because it hurts, right? No one's gonna take that pain for you, but at the end of the day, they're also not gonna get that gain, right? They're not gonna get the gain. So the pain is worth the gain, gang. I'm telling you.
So
pain is
so
worth
how you
the
look
gain.
at your failure is gonna determine your success, right? Like if you're gonna look at your failure as a negative thing and just give up, you're not gonna get that result, right? Compared to if you were looking at it as a positive way and to your benefit, right? Just imagine the difference that result will be in those two situations or those two individuals.
Yep. Give it 10 years and watch. Me and my wife were talking about that like a day or two ago. Like the 10 years that just passed, we have completely separated ourselves from our friends. Our friends that we had 10 years ago. And it didn't look like things were happening in the moment to moment, but you look back now and wow. It's just like wow. Maybe things don't happen exactly how you planned, or the circumstances aren't always like exactly what you did, but man, there was things that I was speaking into existence. On my way to work every morning, I would have self-talk for years and years and years.
See?
Have self-talk. Sometimes I had a whole notebook out on my way to work back in like 2013. Driving, have my notebook out. Like sometimes it would be on my phone, sometimes it would be a piece of paper, but for years and years and years, every morning I would tell myself, I'm gonna impact people all over the world. I am successful. I am this, I am that, I am, right? I kept speaking it, and nothing major was going on at the moment, right? But now that we look back, 5-10 years, and we go, wow, that's a lot of that stuff that we were speaking has happened, right? It's a reality for us now. So it's just incredible.
That was the work that you put in.
That was the work, right?
For it.
Who else that morning was waking up before my eyes were open? I was saying, man, thank you God for a new day. Literally before my eyes even open in the morning, jumping out of bed, fired up, cracking an excess, ready to go, getting dressed. Even though I had a job at that time, I was driving to that job, fired up, knowing that it was only a matter of time before I was out of that joint. It was only a matter of time, right? And I was speaking things into existence every morning, and everyone else was, listening to rap music while drinking coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Man, you don't have to do much to separate yourself. You don't have to do much, right? I was listening to positive, encouraging music. They were listening to, just crappy music, right?
Yeah.
Not good stuff. So those little things, right? The slight edge, it's the insignificant things that maybe don't make such a difference in the here and now, but down the road make all the difference. Another thing my mentor told me was, he said, Nick, you put in the work now, you grind now, and what's gonna happen is your friends are gonna go to college, they're gonna graduate, they're gonna look so successful, they're gonna get jobs, they're gonna make 60, 70 grand a year, they're gonna have medical benefits, and you're still eating mud, right? You're still working on your dream. You're doing the opposite of what they're doing. They look all successful. They look all propped up for society, and they get a job and they make $75,000 a year, and they got medical benefits. And that's where their game is gonna stop. Maybe they're gonna get a raise to 100 grand or something if they become top dog in that industry. But he said, you, my friend, you keep going, you keep working on yourself, You keep working on building assets, and at one point they're up here, you're here, and you're gonna fly by, you're gonna break through as if they were standing still. And you're never gonna have a limit on you, you're never gonna have a boss, you're never gonna have a cap, right? Because as entrepreneurs, we go out and we create our own economy, right? We're not gonna settle for what someone else is gonna give us on a salary. And I'm telling you, we are starting to see the breakout. We are starting to see the breakout, and it's pretty incredible.
Breakthrough.
Pretty incredible. Let me catch up on some of these comments here. Nick should try acting and bounce a neckline. Bollinger Bands, yep. Someone in South Carolina that's fetched to me yesterday saying amongst young and now. People just can't be patient. It's that simple. Yes, sir, Joe Stewart. People in the markets different ways. That's how Max from Lunch trades 5-minute trend lines, W's. He's changed his strategy a few times. Hey, whatever works for. If that's the strategy, that's the strategy. I wasn't really trying to say anything bad about it. I was just saying it's pretty cool how we have such a simple strategy. Good morning, Pablo, from the greatest place on earth. Hello, I'm late, but I'm here. Let's go. What up, Adam? Good morning, brother. So powerful for your self-confidence when you start doing the things you say you're going to do. Just start with that. Yeah, just start with that. That alone,
Sir Scott.
that alone will change your game, right? That alone will, man, I told myself this week I wasn't going to eat, this and that, and I didn't. Wow, I could do that another week. I could do that another week. That felt good, right? You want to do it. You want to keep feeling good.
Sir, it's all in the doing.
Don't do something because you want the end goal. Do it because you want the process. Yes, man, I am so process oriented. At this point in life, I always used to hear, write the goal, right? Write the goal, write the plan, forget the goal, work the plan. Right? I'm gonna say that again. Write the goal, map out the plan, forget about the goal, and start working the plan. And then you're gonna hit the goal. My mentor always tells me that. What are the goals, right? We map out the goals. What are your 90-day goals, 60-day goals, 30-day goals, whatever? Let's map out that plan, and now let's push that goal over, right? Let's just put a picture of it up there and just scan it every now and then. Always thinking about it, but we're focused on the plan now, right? We're focused on the plan of action, and that's where it's all gonna benefit. That's where it all comes together. Morning wisdom, you already know. Hello, where can I learn about levels that you draw on chart? Right here, right on stream. Go back, show up to the stream every day. You'll learn exactly about these levels. Go watch our breakdowns every stream in the morning. We take 15-20 minutes, break the charts down. So go back, watch some of those live sessions. It's not that long, right? It only takes, that's the work, right? That's the work we're talking about. Going back, watching the stream, watching the breakdown, see how we found those levels. Every question you got, there's an answer, and then there's work that it takes. And then there's some work behind that. Manifestation works for you, man. Bro, my wife and I are not social at all. We keep our distance from people in general. No social media, no outside influences. No direct distractions. We protect our peace and aim for success and our goals. There you go. Keep a small circle, right? Keep a small circle.
And people try to bash people like that.
Yeah.
When you're doing the perfect thing.
It's like Cruising King doesn't want to come to the Sweet 16 party, dude. Can you believe that? Like, yeah, I'm focused on my dreams and goals, bro. Like, I'll send you a card. I'll send a gift, my man. But I need to spend these hours right now, and I need to get my family free. I need to learn this skill set. You know how many birthdays we put off, weddings we put off, me and my wife. How many just family parties, right? We didn't go to, or we left early because we were going to sow into somebody else and going to sow into our business, or go to gather around the group, right? Gather around winners. John, my brother Joe, they know this, man. They know this. There was a lot of sacrifice that got me to this point. So, you know, you gotta be willing to sacrifice the birthdays, the weddings, the parties. You know, you're not gonna come to our daughter's 2-year-old birthday party. Like, dude, she's never gonna remember that, bro. You know what she's gonna remember though?
Yeah.
When she's 16 years old and I buy her a new car. That's what she's gonna remember.
Yes, sir.
You feel me? Just straight up cash, no payment, nothing. $35,000 car, it's yours. I know your dad had that little $4,000 beater there for you, but yeah, you don't want a 16-year-old in a crappy car. Trust me, they're already not that good at driving. You want to get them in something pretty decent. Oh, I don't want to spoil my kids. Well, I want my kids at 16 to be driving in a freaking G-Wagon just in case someone hits them. They're in a freaking tank.
Hell yeah, bro.
Just in case they mess something up, they're in an
bro.
army tank. Not worried about the money.
Fuck the money.
But we got to get that money, right? We got to make sure we get the job done here. And you got to make sure you put in that work so you can be there and so you can make those choices, so you can be the yes man, right? My goal was always to be at a table and the bill comes, just give me the bill. Just give me the bill. I know there's 10, 15 other people here. Don't worry about it, you know? It's one of those things, right? You just want to be able to say yes to your family more, yes to freedom more, yes to helping, yes to serving, yes to blessing people, right? A lot of you guys want to bless the homeless guy and you go, man, I can't even do it. You know, you don't want to keep saying that, right? God made you. There was a reason you were made for abundance, my friends. Abundance. And there's no lack of it here. All right, can we get these rejections here though at NY Open? This would be great. 15-minute, already diving back into the range. 30-minute, oh yeah, rejecting this 30-minute resistance. Beautiful. We could have something that we seen yesterday here. So let's see how this 30-minute candle closes here in 4 minutes. But it's looking good, right? I think we got a daily top wick at this point. And we should be good to push down. We do have news in a way, so yeah. Let's see how this 15, 30-minute candle closes. 1 hour is closing very bullish, right? So we don't want to jump at the sells right away, but we are starting to see things lining up from what we discussed about logically this morning, right? So good. That's good news. GJ Bleeder. Oh yeah.
This is the work on the charts, right?
We talked about this, Bleeder, right? We talked about this when those lows broke. Straight down, straight to the TP. Yeah, you had a nice little, yeah, that was beautiful. 30-minute candle was very nice. Yeah, we talked about when price
there
breaks
wasn't
these
like
lows.
a support there. It's like that.
Yeah, if there wasn't this support right here, like if this support was a little bit up, like where this one is, and we closed below, we would have been in there. Would have been in there like swimwear. Have a G-Wagon, you're right, yeah, man.
Let your imagination soar.
Seriously. One day I'm gonna show you guys a video of John when he was probably like 8 or 9, maybe like 8, 9,
maybe.
10.
Yeah.
And I recorded a video and I just had this kid dreaming. So I asked him, what would be in your house? You know, what would you do? What would you have? Would you have a basketball court in the house? Would you have a hockey rink? What would you have, you know? What kind of clothes would you wear? Nice clothes or crappy clothes? And just got him dreaming, man. You got to get your kids dreaming, right? Luckily, he was my little brother, so he was a lot younger than me, over 10 years younger than me. So I had an opportunity to instill some of that, right? So, and I knew that his mind was still fresh and it wasn't too caught up in the world's ways yet, right? So that's why I started programming it at an early age.
Oh.
He was my little science project.
Literally, that was his test.
And it's working out well, and I'm gonna do the same thing with my kids now. I'm doing that from an even younger age. I didn't get to John until he was like 10, 11. So imagine Alea, right? Alea's been getting that since she was born. Same thing with Maverick.
I mean, it's gonna be crazy.
I'm liking these cells coming back down, looking lovely for us. Yeah,
See
we
if
gotta
we can
see
get
we gotta see some closures here. 15, 30 minute. We gotta see a bearish closure, but it's looking good, right? Right. This is what we had. We had a little plan. We were like, hey, if we can close below here, then we can get a sell, right? That didn't happen. We scratched that. Then we were looking at this level. Maybe we could reject here. Right? Didn't happen, scratch that, right? There's nothing wrong with thinking up ideas, thinking up plans. And now we're looking forward to some rejections, some bearish candles here, right? And we'll see what happens. So we're not taking buys here at all. There's a 30-minute support right here, and we are rejecting, and we are bearish on the day. And we close very, very weak bullish here. Take a look at pound yen, how'd that close? Kind of tapped into that support here and rejected, so nothing there yet.
Yeah, a lot of choppiness to the left.
Yeah. I don't wanna take it away. But hopefully that makes some sense to you guys, man. Start reading. If I could recommend one book, it'd be right here. The Magic of Thinking Big. The Magic of Thinking Big. Change your whole life.
Invest, chat, invest.
And guess what? All these success principles and all this stuff, it's all biblical. You can all find it in God's Word.
Facts, bro.
That's where it all stems from. There's no new information. Be scared. Be weary when you hear about new information. Right? Everything's already been written out for you. Outside of maybe like some technology stuff. That's all new. But wisdom isn't new, my friends. Wisdom is old.
And it can never be taken from you.
Yeah. Wisdom is old news, right? It's already in books. It's already there. Open up your books. Yeah, once we get a bearish closure here, we'll be good. We got it on the 15, but we need it on the 30. If we can get a bearish close here and then oh yeah, I forgot the news is at 8:30 here too, so. They're not expecting a huge difference. Oh, trying to understand how to pronounce the SH4D username. Schford.
Don't people use the 4 like an A?
Oh, see?
Shad.
If it's spelled out Shad, then write SHAD for us, and we'll call you Shad from now on. Because I don't know what I'm over here like SH4D.
Shford.
Why do you say we're bearish for the day? Previous daily lows have not been broken. The overall daily trend is bullish, right? So, based off of yesterday's candle, right, we have closed bearish, right? Let's get rid of this candle right now. Just pretend it's not there. We've closed bearish on the daily candle. And right now, we would expect that this next candle, as long as it respects the high here, will continue down. And yes, it has not broken the lows yet. We're still open for buys, but we would have to get some sort of a closure above this range, right? Once we get a closure above this range, then we can probably be good to fill that wick. But we haven't gotten that closure yet, and the price is still going. So we were looking for a 1 hour close below here as well. I mean, above this resistance, and we never closed above that either. So we're rejecting that resistance area right now, If this low breaks, there's a very high chance the NY open, the volume is going to push price to start coming back down bearish now, because we understand that candles create top and bottom wicks, and this candle right now can come down here and still come back up to make a steeper top wick before re-breaking the lows. So that's what we're basing it off of, the last daily candle here. Now if we do get closures above here, then we'll be looking to take buys. But we're just waiting on price action now to answer the questions that we have. Right now, can we close above? We haven't done that yet. So we'll see if this candle can do it. Yeah, based off the 30, that was your resistance right here. So you rejected it and then you pushed up, rejected it again. So we may start rejecting here, because all this really is. So this is I'll tell you the story about the daily, right? This is the top wick originally. See, it's a different color. Price opened up, created this top wick. Price came down, flipped bearish, and didn't break the low, right? Here's the daily lows right here, and we didn't break them. We came down to them, right? We closed below this level, pushed down, and started coming back up to re-break the daily high, right? This was the daily high, was right here. So now we've re-broken this daily high. So now will we come back down for the daily candle to actually move bearish? That's all it is, right? These candles are basically just the top wicks, the body, the break of the top wick, and now it's rejecting. So maybe the top wick, it wasn't good with being here, it wanted to re-break that high. But now, as we can see, if when you scale down to lower time frames and you look at candles and price action, you're always going to be able to see some sort of clues that the market's going to give you, right? So now when all people are thinking buys, they're not really looking at this small, minor, or actually pretty decent resistance right there. And this is where we may reject to have our new daily top wick. And now that that daily top wick's been established, we can now continue down to continue bearish here. So that's kind of that's a little bit of the idea, and breaking down these, you know, what this daily candle so far has been made up of. So we'll see. That may be the new daily high here, which is right here now. And if not, we take buys above there. You got clean traffic to the left. That's got to be at least a 60 pip range, 60, 70 pip range. You could even probably get 90 out of that. So yeah, that's what we'll be waiting for. Hopefully that answers your question. We closed bearish on the daily yesterday. Yes, in simplest terms, we've closed daily yesterday. Morning, bro. Yes, Shad. All right, bet. We got the name. Perfect. What happened to gold? It was GBP news affected. The rate, yeah, the rate hikes, I guess, pushed gold around a little bit. Hey, yo. So, chat, we got 95 people watching. If you guys could like the stream, sub to the channel, that'd be amazing. We got 69 likes. I think we can get those up. I think we can get those numbers up.
What up, dog?
What up? What up?
What it do, Jay?
Good, Jay.
What it do? What it do? What it do, players? What it do? What it do? YouTube?
Hey, how you doing? Hey, YouTube,
How you doing?
How
How
you
your boys doing? Your boys living?
We're living.
Hell yeah.
Living the dream, baby.
Living.
Literally living the dream right now.
Living. Oh, that's right. You're at home right now. Wait till you go back to school, then you're like, fuck.
Yeah.
Where's the dream?
Now it's the nightmare.
I got some guy freaking saying a bunch of BS in front of me.
Oh no.
Let me teach you about the inside of this leaf, John. You're gonna need this when you grow up.
Dude,
John,
it's just
did you know
loud.
that leaves, when you pluck them, they actually scream, but their scream is so low that you can't hear it? Did you know that? I did not. Thank you for telling me something that is not important to me. Thank you.
For
Just,
real,
just,
yeah.
just be careful with the leaves. Don't hurt their feelings.
Did you guys know that when you rip the claw of a crab, they cry as well?
For real, like, they just tell us a bunch of BS.
They're like,
Yeah, the breaking point was for me when I was trying to learn how to code, and they're teaching me about like Greek architecture, and I'm like, dog, I'm out of it, bro. I'm out of this bitch.
Word.
"Ah,
Tell me why, bro.
I'm out of this bitch.
Tell me why one of my classes, bro, we're all 12th graders, and they're teaching us a book of Shakespeare. Like, what are we reading Shakespeare for?
The drama kids.
Like,
we're trying to teach you guys the art of poetry. It's dead. All you hear is sex, drugs, and this and that. We don't hear anything about love and this and that anymore."
I will say, when I was a senior, I read 1984, and I thought that was crazy, bro.
I feel like
Nah,
back
that's
in the
real
day they
life.
had better books out. Now they just enforce you to read like these books that
Mice of
teach
Men.
about. That was a good one. I don't know
Yeah, I
if you guys
read
ever
that too. Mice of
Roll of
Men.
Thunder.
To Kill a Mockingbird. Was
That
the
one too.
Yeah, I read that. Bro, what is the one I'm
Outliers.
thinking of? It's something with the one of the characters' name is Piggy, bro. But they end up killing him. They end up killing him. I forget.
That might be a
what-
Pennsylvania.
I think it's
thing.
Mice of Men, isn't it?
Nah.
Bro, high school
That's
was a
what they
blur. It was a blur. All I remember is that book, Of Mice of Men or something.
Oh, bro. Did you watch the movie after you read the book?
Yeah.
Yep. You gotta love those.
Ooh,
times,
did you
right?
guys
After
read,
you finish reading the book?
Movie
Fahrenheit
time.
451?
Which one?
No,
Fahrenheit
this is a
451?
Nah, I don't think so.
No.
Bro, what? Y'all reading? I mean, nah, you guys said some good books. But nah,
I didn't-
in that book,
it
it's
wasn't
about
that I chose it. It was the
Fahrenheit
school.
451 is the. I know that's what I'm saying. Y'all schools be lacking, bro.
My school was trash. I ain't gonna lie.
whack.
451 degrees is the temperature that you need to burn books, and that's what they were doing to change history and stuff like that.
But it was a movie, right?
Yeah, they had a movie for it too, I believe. I didn't watch it, but I read the book.
Joe, the mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Sick.
Yo, that's hilarious. I got some books for you.
And it
Okay.
creates adenosine triphosphate.
Chat, write these down. Ready? You got your pen? Magic of Thinking Big. Outwitting the Devil. How to Win Friends and Influence People. If you're married, Love and Respect, even if you're not married. Be Obsessed or Be Average by Grant Cardone. The Compound Effect. All you men out there, Wild at Heart is a great book. The Slight Edge, The 5 a.m. Club, The Power of Positive Thinking, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and As Iron Sharpens Iron. So start there, and then once you guys
You
finish
missed
up with
one.
those,
You missed the critical
hit
one.
me
bro.
up. Which
You
one,
missed
Jay?
one on just based off just pure psychology.
The
Come on.
Power of the Subconscious Mind.
No. Trading in the zone, papi.
Oh, no, no, no,
Lord
no,
And
no.
the
Come
Forex
on.
mindset.
The Forex mindset beats out Trader in the Zone.
Beats it?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
When it
Yes.
comes to like the psychology, this man, Mark Douglas, is just on another level.
No,
That one and
Mark Douglas is great.
Yeah, he is.
He is, but I wish he was like a successful trader.
Yeah, the simplest.
he,
All you need to
he's-
do,
yeah.
all you need to take from trading in the zone is that trading is based off probabilities. Have a setup, have your thing, stick to it, and let the probabilities play itself out. And if
Mark
he's,
Douglas to me is like the old dudes that come up to me in the gym being like, "Oh, I used to be bigger than you when I was your age." I respect
but
it.
trading in the
That's
zone
sides dropping
is a great book too. I really you read the Forex Mindset, right, Jay?
Yeah, I have it.
Yeah, I think that one was just amazing.
It's good because it gives you a personal perspective of somebody who actually does it, unlike Mark Douglas, who's, gathered data on a bunch of traders and seen their flaws and, talked about them. So it's different, but yeah, I do like both sides. But
Yeah, they were both great books. Buy them both, chat. If you can't make up your mind, buy them both.
they're not even that expensive. I feel like the Forex mindset is like $20.
Dude,
Yeah.
it was mad cheap on Amazon.
Yeah.
I got mine for like $4 or something.
Bro,
Yeah, you can get it.
Invest in yourself.
Yeah. Back to the
I
work,
remember that
chat.
book's name though. It's called that book with Piggy. It's called Lord of the Flies. Have you ever read that?
Yo, there we go. Yeah.
Possibly.
We made a.
Give me
in
one
my
second.
band,
Be right back.
we made a song called Lord of the Flies.
So it's about it's like a plane that crashes onto an island, and it's a bunch of younger kids, and they try to govern themselves basically.
Shit.
So basically, it's like what there would be like if you end up somewhere without any government. Or if,
Damn.
yeah. Decent book. Probably the worst one I read though, of all the books I read in high school. Did 1984 though. I never really realized how important it was until the lockdowns came.
Right there.
Good morning, Nico.
Morning, brother.
Morning, Nico.
Morning.
What up, Nico? How you doing?
Good, brother. Good.
Morning, Nico.
Good morning, my bro. Much love to the crew.
Look at this. Boom, there I am. Lord of the Flies.
Yo, that actually is.
Yo, what?
Yeah, that's me right there.
What is that? I'm like trying.
Me
Yeah?
in a band. I was
You
in a
on the
band.
stage?
Yeah.
Damn.
And we had that
Kenny
song,
used to
Lord of,
rage back in the day.
Lord of the Flies, bro.
You already.
Was it fun?
So much fun, dude. Helped me build a lot of confidence, community.
Yeah,
you know?
word.
Even though I'm just
Damn.
screaming at people.
You already know what time it is, boys. You already know.
What, active?
Ah, let's go. The big boy, the big gun is out. Now it's a party. Hey, I remember doing that stuff what you got with Jay and Tandy like 2 years ago. Now it's an excess party. All right, beautiful. Looking clean, looking clean. Do 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 do. All right, so we got our push. It's moving down here. 30-minute candles moving bearish. 15's driving here before news.
Bleeding.
Facts.
Yo, what flavor, Nick?
Strawberry burn.
Oh my goodness.
That just sounds good.
Wow, look at this thing dropping.
Yeah, bro.
I'm proud of myself, bro.
Why's that, Sammy?
I just subconsciously didn't commit a sin.
Awesome, bro.
Say goodness. I haven't said goodness in like so long, bro. Crazy.
Ooh, yeah, there you go.
Yo, this is nuts, bro. This
Wow.
is coming down, dog.
Yeah, I was thinking about this entry here on this candle, but
Yeah, I'm in that.
On the 15?
yeah, this is nice. This
I'm up 40.
Raja may have took this.
yeah, I was thinking about taking this. Had a nice top wick too. Then the next one just drives.
Nice.
Amazing. GJ pushing up here. Gold pushing down. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Bleeder. That 15.
Cool.
That 15 drove in 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Legit.
Wow.
Feels good. I got a trade in New York.
There you go.
Oh, you took that? Nice.
Yeah. I closed
Oh, bro.
90%. Right where
Shit,
it's
bro.
at.
Yeah, that sell was nice.
It's just moved down so much now. It's like, I'll take my money, bro.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's all you do.
You tap into there,
It's like-
take that bread.
Exactly.
Take it.
Yeah. I didn't think it was gonna go like that before.
Yeah, me neither.
The setup was there.
Me neither. Yeah, it was there on the 15 here.
If
Fake
you
out,
look at
back
the
in
5
range.
minute, there's a resistance, and it wicked off it a couple times. That's where the if you go left some, yeah, you can see right there.
Yeah, no, the 15 was clean. Fake out back into this range.
That's where I took it at.
The next,
When it-
right here.
Right there, yeah.
Yep.
I didn't take it off that 5 minute wick.
Break the lows.
Off of that.
This candle you would have been chilling because no top wick, just
Literally.
hey Donald, nice, beautiful, perfect, brilliant. Yeah, the 1 hour it pushed up right away and then bam, broke the low. $8.20 here. $8.20 volume. Oh. See how this 30-minute candle closes up.
Bro, gold drank that excess this morning
For
too,
real.
dude. This is bull.
Mhm.
But this is crazy. I haven't seen this much movement in gold before. Like, I don't know. It's wild.
Before
Yeah.
I open.
Or Trump is in office.
No, it's on.
Yeah, this is like Trump's just tweeting right now.
Did Trump send a tweet out here?
That's sweet.
No, I saw yesterday he was doing stuff.
Man, all you had to do in 2020 was wait for Trump to tweet in the morning. Call like King Jong-un like a jackass or something. Markets are
Bro.
flying.
I remember whenever he would sit there and he would get the NFP price in the day before because it'd be Thursday and he would just tweet out like it'd be like 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Wait until you guys see how amazing our job report is tomorrow.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
I think it was like the SEC had to get on for it.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
He's like the numbers are beautiful. They're beautiful.
Yeah,
More
you
beautiful
wait
than
till
they
you
ever
guys see
been
how
before.
good the numbers are tomorrow, and so then it's like boom, right there is the hint. At least it's gonna be good.
You know we do it big. Big is the way we do it.
Yeah.
We do everything big.
Yeah, legit.
We do small things big. What's at 820? Yeah, there you go. Commodity
Comics.
exchange open. Some people call it comics, some people call it comics. News in 7 minutes. Comics is a stop loss hunter. Am I in? No, I'm not in this. Daily candles trying to flip bearish here, flipping back and forth, so. Do. News coming in here. Why? 4 hours broke the highs. 15. It was off the 15-minute. I wanted to wait for a 30-minute closure. It wasn't bad. It was a pretty good trade though. Could have taken it. But yeah, that's why. I wanted a 30-minute closure. I wanted a 30-minute to close kind of like this 15 and then take the next. We got news here too, so didn't expect a big drive like that. New sell stops. Oh, let's do it. We're at. Oh, 15-minute sell, 5-minute celery for the sell stops. How about it? See how the daily's looking now? Somebody asked that question.
It would have been bearish too for a second.
Yeah,
when it tapped the bottom of that.
Yep. Yep. Alrighty. I think we'll continue. Depending on where the news pushes us, we should be good to continue down here.
Yeah.
Just gotta get that news release and we'll be good. I think we'll start re-breaking the lows and stuff. Hold your ears. Gotta get the gun ready.
He's loading ammo in.
And I like to watch the spreads. Yeah, the spreads are starting to pump now here. Got 3 pips, 5 pips. I haven't seen anything higher than 5 yet. 3, 4, 3, 4.
Dude, I swear Hugo's way has been treating me right lately.
Tandy's the only guy on the face of the planet still using Hugo's way. They're like, let's treat this guy right, man. Let's make sure he's got no spreads.
You could have been business, bro.
Yeah, nah, they're. I think I remember them being. Actually, honestly, I don't even really remember. I didn't even know what spreads were when I was trading with them. Yeah, I got.
Well, I remember, like, they're okay, like.
Yeah, they're not bad. They're like what was that other broker? It was another popular one. I forget the name.
Hanko? Owanda? Forex.com?
No. It was like, I forget.
Traders Domain, Traders Way or something, maybe.
Traders Way, I think. Yeah, Traders Way. Not Traders Domain.
I think I know what you're talking about. But...
Yeah. Dominion, I have a Dominion Markets account, but never really funded it. Are their spreads pretty good? I would assume they are if Raja uses them. Anybody in the chat actually use Dominion Markets? 5 pip spread. Yeah, mine's 4.5 right now. We got about 2 minutes here for the news, for the fireworks show, and then we'll try and get some positions. Oh, I do. High commissions on Dominion.
What is your commission? Like, what is it per lot?
It's like 7, I believe, right?
That's about average.
Yeah, that's about standard.
Because if you start sacrificing commissions, then your spreads are gonna get higher.
Yeah, you don't
So
win. Yeah.
it's like they're gonna make their money some way.
Right. Either way, they're gonna make that money. I'd rather pay higher commissions than have bigger spreads, especially for the way we trade. I want my entry where I want the entry, right? I don't want an entry and then 3 pips, is my like lower or something. I want my exact entry. The commissions, I don't mind paying.
Ooh, it's making a top wick first.
Ooh.
On the 30.
Ooh.
And
7 pip spread. Sheesh.
She flying.
How'd the news come out?
it was good.
Pending what?
I know, right?
What you mean pending?
Unemployment came out higher. So good for gold.
Good for gold.
They did come out higher.
Yeah.
And then PPI came out lower.
Yeah.
Or lower than expected, not lower than. Oh yeah, the core came out.
Oh, it came out as expected, and then the other one come out is down.
Yeah.
So that should actually be US dollar strength.
Let's take a look at the DXY.
Yep.
Dixie going down.
Yeah. CJ dude. Oh, GJ said another
Pump up or down? Down?
up and then down.
Ooh.
Look at the 1 hour right now.
Ooh,
I mean, too bad it's
nice.
right where it is, but
Oh man, that was
Crazy.
nasty. Yeah, if there wasn't all this crap here. Very nice. How about Blueberry? Heard they have no commissions on gold. Yeah, they're a Canadian broker though. So you gotta be a Canadian resident to use them.
Ah, no, no hay nadie ahí. No hay nadie. Ven,
¿Qué?
ven.
¿Qué? ¿Qué lo qué?
Oh, sorry.
back to Spanish.
Panda, my dog, he's trying to like go in a door where there's nobody. Yo, last night I had the craziest, bro. I was paralyzed. Have you guys ever been like? I was like,
Sleep paralysis.
dude, and then something was pulling me back. I'm like, whoa, dude, I'm not even. What the fuck?
Crazy.
Let's go.
Let's go. I live for that shit.
He lives for it.
Wow. If it has no commissions, the spread is probably high, yeah. Yeah, I'd rather commissions than spread. If you were like swing trading or intraday, maybe you take the opposite, right? But I'd rather take spreads. Commission. Candle might flip. Still got pretty high spreads here.
Some movement.
Black and yellow.
You know what it is.
You know what it is.
Dude, that's the sound of like my city.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Or how you call it. Black and yellow.
Yeah.
Dude, that when that dropped like 10 years ago,
Oh,
went crazy, bro.
Florida went wild with it, bro. They put like the fucking 34-inch rims on the dunkers, bro.
Started spinning that
Yo,
thing
you
around.
know what's crazy is like I love those things, but like I've never seen one, bro. I've seen some guy who had like I don't remember what it was. It was like a Buick, but it was on like 30s.
Yeah, bro, they phased out fast. I remember like 10 years ago, they used to have like Fruity Pebbles or Tricks like as a wrap on the car, and then they like on 34s.
Yeah.
Dude, wild.
On 34. No, they were not 30. They weren't 34s. They were 34s, man. 34s.
34s.
34s on it.
What a time.
What a time to be alive. I really do apologize that some of you guys missed the 90s and the early 2000s. Yeah, you, John.
I missed the 90s.
Yeah, it's whatever.
But in a way, you also missed the early 2000s because you were still.
Oh yeah, 100%.
You were still young, you know.
Nah,
man, those were good times, man. Those were really fun.
I mean, I grew up without a phone.
In my white tee. In my white tee. Remember
People don't know what it's like to pay per text.
Yeah, seriously.
Or make phone calls after 9.
Yeah.
And the ringtone, I'll never forget because
25 cents per text. Ended up a $900 bill.
Here we are talking. There's some people on the stream like, man, shit, y'all don't even remember when we used to dial a phone number like this.
Oh, dude, have you seen this, like this meme that they ask like the new kids? They're like, "How do you take a picture?" And then the kids are like,
hold on,
and then the old heads are like,
wait, do it again? I couldn't see.
Yeah, I still do that.
So like they ask like a little kid and then an adult. They're like, "How do you take a picture?"
Yeah.
The little kid like whips out like this and goes, you know, like an iPhone.
Yeah.
And then the other guy goes.
That's funny.
And they go, "How do you pick up a phone call?" The little kid goes. And then the old guy goes.
You guys remember the phone on the wire and everything? Phone on the wall?
Yeah. Home lines.
Imagine getting a call from a guy or a girl when you're in middle school, and you literally have to have that conversation in the living room with your family there because the phone was legit on a wire.
Unless you had like a cordless phone.
Unless you were big balling at that point, you had them wireless joints.
Yeah.
Then you were chilling. You didn't get interrupted when the phone rang or nothing.
Yeah.
Damn.
Or have your parents be spying on your conversation on the other line.
Bro,
yeah.
Backyard baseball. You remember Pablo?
Oh my, come on, Joe. Where's my brother Joe? Pablo from Backyard Baseball, dude.
Dude, he was so fast.
Sheesh. I still can see him hitting the ball, swinging the bat.
Sure, dude. Oh,
That's too funny.
That's funny.
That was probably
the first game I probably played on the computer was like Zoo Tycoon on a CD.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Pablo Sanchez. That was his name.
Dude, Pete Wheeler.
Pete Wheeler. Yo, stop. Stop it.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Done.
That's funny to me, though.
Man. And they did the backyard football too.
And then they made the pro version, remember? Where the pros were the kids. So they had like Mike Piazza as like a pro, Derek Jeter when they were little kids. You remember that one?
What?
Damn. Yeah, bro. This guy said Pete Wheeler, dude. That was my cleanup hitter, bro.
Pete Wheeler.
Yo, chill.
And then Road Rash too, where you used to hit people on the bike. Yeah, dog.
Oh man.
That sounds familiar to me. Road Rash.
Nah.
Dude, that was fire. Yeah. And then Twisted Metal. Classic. Keisha Phillips, bro.
Man said Pete Wheeler. That just threw it back.
Those pulling.
Let me show y'all Pete Wheeler, man.
Yo.
There's Pete Wheeler right there. That's the squad right here. Pete Wheeler, born on October 13th. Point Pete in the right direction, tell him to run, no one will catch him. His mighty swing and is legendary. If it makes contact, that's it, dude. Look how fast he was. Oh, man. Are they only going to show Petey? Oh, wow, bro. He was good at everything. 2003. Is that when that was? Wow. Oh man, y'all don't even know. Ho, ho, ho. Don't even know. Oh my god, Tandy. Yo. Remember the opening scene right here?
Dude, this is just crazy.
Yo.
Yo.
Chill.
Dog.
Wow. What's going on here?
That's why. Yo, let's get a fucking MLG.
Look at this. This how you would pick your players right here, man. Holy. Look at Mike Piazza right there, Derek Jeter.
Yo, there's that wheelchair kid.
Yeah, I forgot what his name was. Look at that's Ken Griffey, right? On the Mariners. Damn.
Yo, this is crazy, bro. I feel like I'm having a seizure.
I thought I would never see this again. Look at this dude.
I want to cry, bro. The Twins. Oh man.
Wow. Oh yeah, you can move the lineup. This was great, dude. Pablo's, he needs to be leading off. Pablo Sanchez. Oh, Ernie Steeler, holy.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh man. Oh, stop.
Sydney Weber. That was my girl.
This is how we played back in the day.
Oh.
Anyone born in 2000 or later, bro, you guys would not be able to play this game. You would literally just be like, this is taking too long. Oh my god, look at this. Remember you would pick the pitch?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Slow ball. Remember that one? That one was mad good. Oh, you time that sucker? That thing's gone. Look at the juice.
This was ahead of its time, bro.
Remember
this
the juice?
So ahead of its time.
Yeah, dude. Wow.
I could watch this for hours.
Oh my god.
And then the juice box, you remember you could power up?
Yeah. Damn, dude. Line drive. This was for the hitter.
Oh yeah, Lou and Lou.
Oh man, look, he's going home. Oh, he's calling a rundown. Oh, Pablo Sanchez.
Oh, Pablo. Oh no.
Oh damn.
Oh snap. Oh snap. Dude, crazy.
Yo. 3-0 Mets, dude. Oh my god, you remember this dude?
This is crazy.
Come on. Wow. I'm done. W. Yeah, it's a good game. He's low on juice though. He's getting low. Ashley Weber. Keisha Phillips, dude. What? Yo. I remember Keisha.
Do you know how I feel listening to all this? You ever see the video of the old guy loading up I think it's like GoldenEye or something? He's like, "This is your ass, Playboy." And it's like,
oh yeah.
You playing against you suck.
This right here was one of my favorite.
Like 2057.
The Roller Coaster Tycoon. This was like where all entrepreneurs were bred from. This one was great. You knew how much money you were making, how much things cost.
Yo, I played this actually. I played
Bro,
this.
This game right here was great. People be drowning in the water. All of a sudden,
was where it was at.
Yeah, do you be able to look at that 275 for oh man.
For
and
a
then where
house,
was the
look at
budget?
inflation, bro.
Yeah, you had your budget. You had your budget right there on how much money you were making. Oh man, look, you were making money every second. I remember I used to look at that like, damn, money's growing every second. Start investing into bathroom. Oh man, that's crazy.
Dude, we would always play Zoo Tycoon, and then we'd get a bunch of penguins, right? And then you get a bunch of anteaters and put them in a pen right next to them, and then you open the fence up, and the anteaters would go in and they would kill all the penguins. And I have no idea why, but it was funny.
Yeah, it would start raining and stuff.
Because anteaters would never even, they probably don't even know penguins exist.
Wow, yeah, this was a great game, man. Oh, look at this. He's building a roller coaster over the water. She hit bombs. Yeah, Keisha was hitting bombs, dude, back then. That was the best one. Yeah, yo, these games were classic. Hey, what the f is this? I thought we were trading.
Chill out, bro. Come on.
Have some fun. Lighten up. Price isn't
What are you
even
trading?
moving. It's stuck.
Yeah, what do you think?
Let's go to the 5 minute. I can predict consolidation. Oh, what do you know?
Go to 1 minute. Yo, let's get trades.
Yo, focus.
Yo.
Wow, yeah, look at this roller coaster coming along. Yup. Costs money to do that, man. You see his money's getting taken. Nah, this game was, you would have to level out the ground, cut trees. This game was amazing, bro. All these people were paying you. You can grab someone and just, look at this guy, he's lost over there. People getting lost.
Yo, when we get together, bro, we gotta have like a whole LAN party and just do this.
Hey, some of you guys seen that post on my IG? That's about to be the time to eat compound, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this game was classic, man.
Austin, let's link up and do some LAN parties, bro. Come on.
Hey, chat. Time to eat compound right here. Who's coming with me, man?
Yeah.
Who's coming with me?
Aw.
The compound, baby. The compound.
Yes, sir.
Hey, if you guys haven't checked out some of these that I have here as well, like the charts, you guys can see me, Jay, and Tandy freaking slanging gold all day long. 87 weeks ago, 90 weeks ago. Come watch these. These ones are good. The trading tips and the charts, man. You can see how long we've really been doing this. Every damn day. Look at this, 127 weeks ago.
Crazy.
Bro, you know I still get like these like kind of like similar to what you get, but like all these old posts of when I used to trade GJ. I was like, oh man, those are good times.
Hey guys, time to eat 104 weeks ago. You guys think this is brand new, right? These are plans that have been worked on for a long time. Yeah, man, these were good times, bro. Look at this. Happy Monday. Don't let a crackhead out hustle you today. There's a crackhead that woke up this morning with literally nothing but the clothes on his back. He's not worried about if he's getting his next hit. He knows he will. He knows he will. There's no other option. When you have enough desire and desperation, you will do whatever it takes to reach your goal. Crackhead mentality. Come on.
I love that, bro. I've never heard of that.
And then Jay texts me, "We are pip addicts." And then I said, "Always looking for that next pip." Yeah, man. Been doing.
There's a shirt right there, bro. Crackhead mentality. Yo, I don't know if that's a good
facts. Hashtag crackhead mentality. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen these, some of these, go check them out. It's my IG right here.
Look at that.
Charts, trading tips, all really good. Really, really good. All right, so here we are, coming to the end of the 4 hour here. So we're gonna take a look, see how this 4 hour candle closes, and see if we can make some moves. Yeah, check out those stories. Those are good. Bringing the whole family. They don't even know yet. Yeah. Scott's gonna be like, yeah, we're moving again. The man bun. Oh yeah, the man bun era. That's right. Raised dolphins for that gold milk. Yo, we're gonna have a pond of dolphins out there. And a bunch of cows, man.
Bunch.
We're gonna have a bunch of lunch out there.
Whole ton of them.
And we're gonna feed them good, man. We're gonna grow our own vegetables, our own fruit. Our chickens are gonna eat grub, bugs, and worms and all that stuff. Not corn or.
And they're gonna have acres of land to roam around.
Seed. Free range. Yeah, y'all gotta cut the seed oil, man. No seed oil. No bottom wick on the previous 15 candle. I'll wait for top wick 15. They're gonna get punted. They're gonna get punted. If this 4 hour doesn't close above this resistance, very high chance we will start to continue down. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Oh, GJ. Man said Pete Wheeler brought me down memory lane today.
For real. That was wild.
Wow. Thanks for filling up the last 25 minutes. Whoever said that, I think that might have been Austin. Throwing us back to Pete Wheeler. Yeah, man, that roller coaster tycoon was fun too.
Hey, RuneScape, there we go, Red. There we go. I dedicated, whoa, I dedicated like 12 years of my life to RuneScape. That taught me how to hustle, how to trade, how to market myself.
Oh.
Level 70 woodcutting? What?
RuneScape is goated.
Yeah, George knows it. A UK company. Exactly, bro. It's still fire, bro.
I never played RuneScape. I flipped them CSGO skins for profit.
You said buy and sell shrimp at the GE. That struggle right there. You used to trim armor too? Find girlfriend?
Buying girlfriend 50 GP.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I know a little bit about it. I've never played it.
Yo, that's sick. Flash 1, wave 2. Selling bugs.
Remember the I always like playing that 50 Cent video game. That one was good.
I used to play Def Jam. I feel like that game was wild.
Oh yeah.
Def Jam? Wait, is that the one with like the Street Fighters, but with the like Snoop Dogg?
Yeah.
I never played that, but I've seen it.
Hey,
bro, what games did I play on like the PS2 and that? Dude, there was this one game that gave me nightmares. It was like Area 51 or something on the original Xbox. There's another. Yo, I played like Simpsons Road Rage.
Oh, the Simpsons game. I forgot about that one. That was good.
Yeah. Yo, there was a game on the PS2 though. I cannot think about what it was called, but it was just like you wreck cars into each other, and there was like some like clown cars. There was like
I remember that.
Twisted Metal.
Twisted Metal.
Yes. Yeah, Twisted Metal.
Twisted Metal.
That game.
That was good.
SSX Tricky.
That was the best one.
That was good.
Or NBA Volume 2. Street Volume 2.
Twisted Metal, yup, that was it. Wow, big throwback. That game came out in '95.
That game was like the best.
'Cause
That was like the first Death Race game.
Yeah, I remember playing this thing when I was like super young. This was it right here.
Yeah, I thought the
Everybody wanted to
graphics.
be the ice cream man with
Yo,
the
yeah, that.
head.
Yeah.
I thought the graphics were so much better. I looked at it not too long
That's-
ago and I was like,
That's Dubai right there in '95.
That's because that's back then.
Really? That's what it looks like, bro.
Yeah, nah, this game was good.
Ah, that's sick.
You just shoot some random bullets.
Really notable mention is Animal Crossing.
Hey, we got a trade here
That's
from
not that much
Donald.
of a throwback though.
Nice
Yeah,
trade,
exactly.
man.
That's very new.
She's just getting into games, so.
Dude, LaRon knows about the CSGO skins, buying a butterfly nade fade factory group, waiting for the price to double. Yo, I'll never forget when Operation Breakout had first come out, and then I had the AK Vulcan, and I traded that up to I forget everything, but it was like to Op Asm also, from like $60 to $70 to, bro, just the whole ways up till I had a brand new butterfly knife crimson web minware with the 3 big spider webs on it, bro, and it was like $800. And
that sounded wild to me. I don't know.
15 or 16.
I just went smooth brain on that. I have no idea.
Hey, it is Thursday.
LaRon knows exactly what I'm talking
it's
about.
a good day to throw it back on a Thursday.
Hey, LaRon, isn't he the winner?
Yeah. Yep.
LaRon!
LaRon's originally from Dubai, too. Dubai.
Yeah, he knows about CSGO. He's a G.
Carlo, there you go. 100%.
Yep.
Books of Metal's not a movie, really.
What?
Just locked into that Capital Hungry Discipline video. Yeah, man. Yeah, you should watch it twice, even 3 times. Amazing.
Dude, no, you will want to, because
yeah, he's good.
this is how it is. I don't know.
Yeah, nah.
Bro, Twisted Metal is not gonna be a TV show, bro. What?
Yeah, it is.
A TV show?
It is gonna be a TV show.
What?
Yeah, Amazon Prime is took it into their
What?
to make it into one.
I wouldn't
Prince of
watch it.
Persia?
That's
Sick?
also a TV show.
Really?
Yep.
What the?
Every game now is gonna be a TV show. Nobody's original anymore. They gotta
Nah.
find shit to put out there.
Yeah. That's why you see all these songs and stuff, they all get remade a lot too. It's like,
Yeah. Like, why do you think you hear all the same beats now from back in the day, just fast, like a little sped
it's
up?
like remix.
No one's original anymore.
Yeah. No one's
Which
original.
means, go ahead and steal.
You ever play Barbie Horse Adventures? That game was fucking sick.
Absolutely.
Oh, did
not.
you play Hello Kitty Island Adventures?
Yo, that
Absolutely not.
Yo.
Oh shit! That's the
TV
best
shows,
game.
There's too many TV shows, man. I don't have time to sit there and watch 18 seasons.
Yo,
of some
TV's
show.
whack. Whoever watches TV shows,
Yeah,
man,
I don't
you
watch
guys need to
anything,
do
bro.
something better
People
with your
think I'm
lives.
like weird because I don't watch TV or watch Netflix or watch anything. And
Yeah,
I'm
bro.
like, yo, I just feel like it's a waste of. I can't even just sit down.
You're mostly watching commercials, is what people don't understand.
There
10 minutes into a show, it's a commercial for 25 minutes, and then you see 10 minutes of the
Facts.
show, and then it's another commercial.
My mentor used to tell me all the time, the TV is the electric income reducer. Stay away from it. And from that point forward, in 2012, I haven't really watched much TV at all, man. Everyone's always like, yo, what show you watching? Like, my own show, bro. My own show. So, yeah, everyone's watching some sort of TV show, but that's why everyone is most likely average.
Ooh, hit him with that dab, bro.
Yeah,
Average.
you know what I'm saying? The
Yeah,
electric
average number.
income reducer. We used to call it, so we used to, all of our products that we sold came with it, what they called points, so they called it PV. So it was like personal volume or point volume. So they would come, so every time we sell products, they would come attached with these points. And these points would determine the percentage that you got paid out every month. So we used to put paper over the TV and just say there's no PV in TV, and just let it rock, not even turn it on.
Dang, there you go.
There's no PV in TV.
That's sick.
Yeah, that's. I still don't watch TV. No point now. But everyone's watching some show.
I watch TV. It's called Trading View.
Hey, oh, I like that.
Ooh.
That clicked like seconds after for me. Another day in the market, yeah. See what we got going on here. Do do do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's actually still a surreal feeling.
Ah, y'all don't know about these conversations me and Raja be had.
I love his voice, bro.
Deadass. They don't make them like him.
For real.
All right, look at that. We closed below. Yeah, I'm still pretty bearish here, man. Let's see if we can get a new 15 resistance. Let's see if we get a new one. All right. So once this, if we get a resistance here on the 15, I'm gonna be looking to take sells right after this resistance is formed. So I think this was the little minor drop, and now we're gonna get the big boy. This was that little news push. Now we've come up, created a new high here. If we get this resistance, and then we should be able to continue down. We got NYSE coming in here hot as well. We got volume coming. Should be pretty nice. Give me 2 minutes. I gotta run outside to the car real quick. I'll be right back. Oh, look at this.
Blade.
5-minute bleeding, huh? Very nice. Buys or sells? Both. Yeah. We're gonna get in this. Just give it a few more minutes. Since day one, I've always loved you guys. Your guys' patience. Oh, thanks, Alan. Yeah, man. Once this 15 candle closes, we should be good here. Lock it in. Lock it in, lock it in. Let me begin. What about gold sells below 2032? 2032. Yup, nah, it looks good. This should continue gold down now for the day. Right, so we have our top wick. I believe this is where we should be able to get our resistance. So we just gotta wait for this 15 to close and then should have a 15-minute entry. What's your thoughts with what Scott said? Scott said something about 4-hour not closing. Oh, closing above the resistance. Oh, right here, right? Yeah. Technically, yeah. But we're looking at these lower time frames, and the 4-hour is the only one that kind of screams any sort of bullish. But I think we're gonna see a fake out right here on the 4-hour time frame. Those are my thoughts. I think this 4-hour should continue down to move along with the daily time frame here. And 1 hour, we got that fake out as well, right here. And yeah, it looks pretty clean. Now that the news is out of the way, I think we got some direction. We created a resistance. News came out, tried pumping up, nothing. Closed below, got a little fake out on the 1 hour. And we should be good to close back in this range now. So just want to see a 15 or a 30 close here, and gonna take some sells. Gonna take some sells. Oh man, it's beautiful outside today. Ain't it, Tandy? Freaking every day, man. It feels like a vacation.
I don't know, does it feel good outside?
Yeah, it feels great.
75, let's see.
Amazing, bro. Just beautiful.
Say it's 95?
75.
75.
About to say.
Nah, 95 don't feel that
9
good.
a.m. Bro, I'm about to say.
It's a beach day for sure.
Gotta be
There's
like
Jose.
300 at noon.
Yeah.
What is it here for me? It's 59 right now. It'll be
59.
78 though later.
59.99. Damn, your high is what we got right now at 9.
Yeah. Tomorrow will be 79. We're in the 70s the whole ways up until Wednesday.
It's creeping up there in the northeast.
Yeah, it's been nice lately.
Word.
Usually right around this time of year it starts to get nice.
Yeah.
I seen something the other day. It said, you live in Pennsylvania, there's 12 seasons. Let me find it real quick. I think I thought it was so funny. So there's winter. It starts off the year in winter. Then there's full spring. I mean, this could really go for anywhere in the Northeast, but there's full spring. Then there's second winter. Then there's the spring of deception. Then there's the third winter. Then there's the
spring of
pollinating.
deception is always the best one.
Yeah, that's probably like late March.
Yeah.
And then you got the third winter that comes in the beginning of April. Then you got the pollinating. You got actual spring. Then you got summer. You got hell's front porch. Then you got false fall, second summer, and an actual fall. And back to winter.
That's funny.
I was like, that's actually facts.
Yep, that's New York for you too.
Yeah, I believe they say it gets so like humid up here in that too, because like something has to do with the trees. I forget someone saying it for what it was, but it's like because of where we're at in the Appalachian Mountains or something. I don't know, bro. Useless information to me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like I'll never forget. Like there was this one day when I think it was at like track practice, and this one kid on the team was like, he looks at me and goes, "You know that ants can carry 10 times their body weight?" And then me and the coach both at the same time look at each other and go. And then I didn't even say anything. The coach starts roasting him. He's like, "And why do you know that? And what are you ever gonna do with that information?" That's gotta be the most useless information. He goes, this guy's like, I love my track coach, bro. He's like one of those old coaches where he's retired now, but he would beat us down, bro. Like I remember, like we would talk to the other teams, and it's like the most they'd run in practice, 300 meters, dude. This man would have us coming like full lap on the track in practice. It has to be less than 54 seconds. So it's a full sprint, and then no, so you're not even done. Then you gotta go the next 100 meters in less than 15 seconds. I mean like 115 seconds up.
Damn.
Like the average person probably. I mean, like that's not that fast in an actual race, but after you just full sprinted a quarter of a mile.
That's so true.
Yeah, but nah, like. He's always that one person who show you like that tough love because he just wants to see you win.
Yeah.
And you don't get too much of that anymore because it's like, I don't know, dude. I don't even gotta get into it.
Yeah. All right, so I redrew up this this range here, right? So it looks like we have a pretty strong resistance right here. We have a pretty strong support right here as well. So if we can get a closure below, I think we are fine and dandy to come on down here, fill this wick, and retest this support down here. If we have to wait till 9:30, we will. So it's either going to be based off of this 15 close or the next 15 close. But at some point now, we should start pumping down here. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, if we hit this area down here too, that's where we're gonna take most of the position off. And then if we re-break the lows, and that'll push us down too. So we could have runners here today. The wick fill is about 30 pips, 35 pips. That also comes down into this area here as well. So probably go break even at that point, and then hold full position till we got a nice range here, man. 95 pip range, so could be a big one. See how this 15 closes here.
DJ still bleeding too in this 1 hour, new 4 hour, but it went with no top wick.
Bleed. No top wick. Well, look at that. Our ranges were mapped out perfectly.
Yeah.
But nothing we could do with no top wick here. 4 hour no top wick yet? Yeah, a little sketchy to me. If you can come up, create a top wick, and then reflip bearish, then I may be interested here. Because we did get that close below, barely, but filled the wick right away. All right, so this 15-minute candle just closed here on gold. I think we closed with no bottom wick right at that support. So yeah, nothing we're gonna do here. We're gonna wait for this next 15 to close. That's going to be the close of the 30, and then volume should pump in. So if we can get this 30-minute candle right here to close bearish below the range, and looks something like this, right? Then that is gonna be perfect.
Money.
Next candle should retest these lows, maybe even close below, breaking daily lows, and it could just continue driving from this point. Close your eyes and hit sell. Yeah, we gotta wait for this 30. Let this 15 do whatever it wants. It's most likely it's got no top wick and this one's got no bottom wick. So it'll most likely come back up and that'll leave us a wick fill on the 30-minute time frame. Because we want this candle to drip down a little bit. Come on down, create us a nice, leave us a nice wick for the next 30-minute candle to drive. Hey bro, where can I get your strategy fully explained? I mean right here on stream. Right here on stream. If you just go and watch all the breakdowns, it pretty much explains the strategy. I also have a 8-week mentorship program with 2 seats left, if that's something you're interested in. That's super detailed. And then you can book a one-on-one as well. So you just come to the Discord if you want to book any of those. And see, I had my sell stops ready here for the signals. But if you come right here, you'll see everything here. If you don't want to invest anything, you just watch all the streams, man. We break things down pretty good. But yeah, we still got 2 seats left on this 8-week program, the elite program, and I'm also been booking up the calendar here with one-on-one. So if you guys need a little bit of help and you want to get together one-on-one, you can book a call right here and we could set that up too. But you can watch the streams also. 100% full margin to sell. Either I pass my evaluation or blow the account. Go ahead, risk 5%, 4.9%. This is perfect.
Sounds like my homie, dude.
This is perfect right here. So we want this 30 to kind of pull back and close, you know, right around this area. Makes sense that the 15-minute would close weak without a top wick, but we'll see. Massive 1-hour support and resistance at 2032. 1 hour. Oh yeah. I did notice that too, man. Yeah, that's why we adjusted this range a few minutes ago. I didn't really tell anyone, but you guys see me adjusting the range, just trying to get a better feel for where we're at. And yeah, you are right. That is a very strong area there. All right, this is good. Now we just need this candle to chill out and pull back. Yeah, good eye, good eye. Dum 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 dum. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be great. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel as we make our way now to 2,500 subs. At 2,500 subs, we're gonna be doing a 50K challenge account giveaway. It's official. It's official. But you got to be subbed to the channel. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and come join us every day. Come vibe with the squad. We have fun, don't we? We have some fun here. Come on, join. I promise it'll make you better. Naples is no joke. Saw two 19-year-old Forex traders in a Ferrari last night. Sheesh. There you go. There you go. What we have our hands on is literally gold. We're trading gold and we literally have our hands on gold. Come on, can we get a pullback? License plate said XAU? No way. That's amazing. Doom, 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 doom. We missed the sells. Hey, I told you close your eyes and hit sell. I got a big sell at 29. Nice. Yeah, I told you guys close your eyes and hit sell. Don't tell me you missed that. Very nice. Now let's come back up 5 minute. May 11th, huh? I didn't miss anything. No confirmations at all. Exactly. Yeah, there was no confirmations at all. This candle closed no wick in the range. This candle didn't give you a top wick. Some of y'all breaking the system. Yeah, nothing. Nothing. This was an impulse. This candle could have went either way on you. 5 minute as well. No closure there. This one closing no bottom wick. Right at support. But you can see we're moving bearish, right? It's pretty obvious. If you're just chasing the volume and you're not really looking for a setup, then yeah, it's pretty obvious. That's why I said close your eyes and sell. I don't wanna take it in vain.
Dude, who said that about Naples, Florida in the chat? Jose, dog, you got me looking at pictures of this.
Yeah, Naples is beautiful, man.
Crazy, bro.
Might be going down to Naples to record a podcast pretty soon. So we're gonna have to link up, Jose. Me, you, and Juan.
Bro, what? It's like a little peninsula coming off.
Naples is gorgeous, man.
Yeah, it's
sunsets
crazy,
are freaking
bro.
beautiful over there.
Looking at it from like a map, it kind of looks like that thing they got built in Dubai. Except this is like natural. Like what? I don't know what it's called. It's like that. It's like kind of looks like a flower or something.
A flower. I want to see the 5 minute do something like this.
I'm gonna butcher this, but it's called the Palm Jabal Ali.
The palm.
Or the Palm Jumeirah.
This will be
Here's
our
the other one.
This will be our pullback for the 30-minute candle. These two 5-minute candles. This will be our top wick for the next candle, and then bam, our entry. See if we can get the 5-minute to do a little bullish rally real quick. Pon me down, pon me. Do 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 do.
The only downfall with Florida is all these mosquitoes, dude.
You don't ever feel like it doesn't get way too hot sometimes too? Because
Bro, there's air conditioning everywhere. You basically, you
yeah,
go outside your house, you go into your car with air conditioning. You go from your car, it's hot until you get into the store and then, or the restaurant or whatever, and then there's air conditioning. So it's like, unless you gotta chill outside all day, it's not that bad.
See, that's what I would like to do, bro. I'd just be outside all day.
I mean, it's still nice, man. You get some good sun out there.
Oh, I believe you.
It's nice. It's very nice, very nice.
Personally, yes, it does get too hot sometimes.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, Pennsylvania gets too hot and it gets too cold.
If you're freaking doing construction or something, oh man.
I've also never lived in like a cold state though, so I don't know if I would like it more or hate it more.
Well, this is the thing. You can always put on more layers to stay warm, but you can't take, like, you can just get down here.
Yeah.
I can be a shirt off, compression shorts on, boom. Ready to attack the world in Florida.
Yeah. See, that's what I'd rather just be walking around with my shorts on. That's it.
Yeah,
no socks.
That hoodie weather is nice too. But we get that for like a month here.
Oh yeah, dude.
In like December.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I've been to Florida once and it was January and I'm walking around with a t-shirt on.
Yeah.
Everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm like, bro, it's 50 degrees.
Yep. Yes, sir.
When do you think it gets cold, Tandy?
I mean, like
what, like degrees?
Oh, what do I think it's cold?
Yeah, like it's starting to get cold.
About 65 is when it gets really chilly. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
About to say, bro.
Dude, all the way into like 40 something degrees, I'm still wearing shorts and a tank top. I love it.
He loves it. Where does Sam live? He lives in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, yeah.
You know, in the 20s is when I start getting a little cold.
Yeah, when it gets in them single digits, man, it just gets rough.
Up north?
9 degrees.
Yeah.
8 degrees, you know.
Once it starts to get to below 20, it's like...
Yeah. Below that 32, that freezing. It's just, it gets a little too much, you know. The winters last pretty long out there.
Yeah,
the wind makes it the worst. If it's not windy, bro, I could chill in like 10 degrees, 20 degrees, but if that wind is there, oh man. No joke.
That's true.
Here in Missouri, we got different weather every day. Yeah, I've never been to St. Louis, Missouri. All right, we got 1 minute here, so let's lock this in. Let's see if we can get this 30-minute closure. A nice little top wick. And we're gonna have some sell stops once we get that top wick. So once we get a top wick on this candle, if and when, we're gonna have sell stops on the break of the lows.
Would you classify that as like a fake out?
Which one, Dandy?
Just like the previous hour.
Yeah, that's what I was saying before. Pretty much, if you had the line here, you got like an hourly fake out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder if that happened just because of how the news came out. It was some good US dollar news, but price just wants to come down. Price action's good.
Yeah, I'm at sell stops here. Perfect. Sell stops at the break of these lows here, chat. Stops are going to be wherever this top wick is. $20.27.512. Let's see where the stop loss is going to be. Right now it's looking like a 42 pip stop. Oh no, I'm sorry, 32 pip. Not bad, not bad. So we waited for this, waited for the closure, and yeah, now it's time. 20, 30. Perfect. Sell stops have been set. And risk-free point. Probably once we break the wick. Once we fill that wick and push past it, we'll stops to break even. But pretty clean on the way down here, so. But we've been waiting, and it's time!
That's so legendary.
I always wanted to do that.
That's so sick.
You and Donvo have the same orders. Oh, nice. I have. You have your sell stop in. Yup. Yeah, ready to go. Well, I did learn a lot from Don, so.
Quick question: the sell stop. Sorry, are you already in?
No. Once it's my sell stop is set, so once price does break it, it'll activate me.
Oh, to go down?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Thanks.
Yeah. No worries, bro.
Cool.
We don't say sorry around here. We all learn, bro.
I ain't your boss.
Thanks, bro.
Man said sorry.
Bruh. Team, bro. We're a team.
Let's get it.
Sandman, what up? Welcome to the stream. I don't think I've seen you before, but I like the money sign. Oh, we might need to make bigger stops here. No top wick here. This is perfect. Remember what I said? We need the 5-minute, right? To come up here, create some sort of resistance, and then break the lows. That's going to be perfect. Perfecto. Always like hearing that. You and Don got the same order. That's a proud student moment. Proud student moments right there. Worst case, well, even better case, we get a 1 hour entry here. We get the 1 hour to close below, top wick, and then fill the wick here on the 1 hour time frame. Be at the wick fill? Yeah, I think so, yeah. Do, 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 do. Yeah, let's see a 5-minute resistance. What's up, Nico?
Your your stop loss, where would it be?
It's gonna be above this 30-minute candle here, so it's gonna be 2032.11 or 111. So yeah, that's where it's gonna be.
Okay, cool.
I got to adjust that now. Yeah, worst case, like I said, we get a 1 hour entry too.
Yeah, like a 30-minute celery.
30-minute celery, up. But we'll see. We might get activated before that.
Yeah.
Bleeder.
He's up there.
You may even be able to get an entry off the 5 here. Same stops. Ugh. Let's see what that looks like. If we took this off the 5 anticipating the move, we would have a 30 pip stop. Enter on the break of the lows potentially here. It's not too bad either. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. I mean, I think that's the 5-minute theory, really, right? Wait for a top wick, so wait for a resistance to be formed. Oh, we may get activated here. Just want to get rid of this other. $15-minute celery too, maybe. Let's see, let's see. All right, I am in some sells here, chat. So got into some sells, stops are up here. TP is gonna be, this is gonna be our first target, I think. And then we should be clean to come down to, down into these levels here.
Bro.
Yep.
So I clicked open calc, put my market pending, and then open trade, and all 3 of the open calc things disappeared.
Maybe manually enter on the break of the low again, once we break the lows.
I'm not sure if I'm in the trade though. Oh yeah, I'm in.
Okay, cool. He's in.
Holy shit. I'm in.
He's in. Sweet.
He's in.
So the 15 is gonna close up here in 5 minutes as well. So let's see what happens here.
Are you in?
Yeah, this is 5 minutes.
I'm in, my friend. I'm in. Anytime this green and red joins up on the stream, I'm in.
We all in, bro.
We're all
Let's
in.
Get it.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Tandy, you in this?
What?
You in this?
Yes, sir.
You took it off your phone?
Yes, sir.
Savage.
Yo,
Savagery.
this is how I first started, bro. You in this?
Are you in
I
this?
took it at 2031.
Are
so
you
I've
in
been
this?
in
Who's in this? Who's in this?
Oh.
Who's in
Oh.
this?
I'm in.
I'm already up 30 pips, my G.
The
I haven't-
TTE cruise in. First TP 2025?
Yeah, the support right there, that wick fill. Full TP 2022.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
2022.
2022. Oh, man.
Yeah, buddy. See if we get a little bleeder here.
Come on. Sammy, hit it.
What?
5% risk.
Yeah, 5%. I'm risking 5%. Hit him with the bleeder.
Nah, I can't do it on command, bro.
Oh, sorry. You're not a dog, sorry.
He ain't a dog.
Nah, it's gotta like really come. Otherwise, you won't hit. It won't hit this.
Yeah. It's like Nick's gold chant. You can't just tell him to do it. Bro. That works in the opposite direction. Watch out. It's fire.
Yeah, I'm feeling a bleeder. 15-minute celery too, probably. See if we get the hourly to close below the support here. That'd be great. And now we wait.
Bro, I just don't see the box. Like the box in the bottom, you know?
Click on the bottom left, trade.
Trade.
Or click view, I think.
Uh-huh.
And then toolbox. I think toolbox. And then click trade at the bottom, you should see.
Trade.
You see that at all?
It just has a very thin line with balance, the profit, equity, this, that.
What's he looking for?
He's looking to like see his trade at the bottom on the window.
Oh, just look to open trades. There's like little tabs on the bottom of your...
You know that, you know where you bring it down? I think it's on view or something, Jay?
Mm-hmm.
It's like view and then like toolbox or navigator or...
Yeah, so you're trying to see like the one on the side where you open up magic keys, or the one where it shows your P&L?
Your trade.
The P&L and all that, and trade.
So you want to click on
Alright, chat, I'm
file.
going break even right here. Gonna close up some partials right here and
sorry.
see if we can get the rest to run. Sorry about that, boys.
Go to view and then hit toolbox, and that should be it for you.
Yeah, I think it was toolbox, right?
Yeah, toolbox. That's the bottom one.
Just so
Alright,
tiny.
we're running.
Bladers.
Yes, sir,
Oh,
we're running
shit.
here.
Hey,
We running.
you running.
Stops are at break
Out.
even.
Did anybody see that? God damn. The
Yo.
whole chair just flipped.
Yo, I did not see that, bro.
The headset went flying and everything, bro. That's why
Oh, damn.
Yo, I go bleh. I lean back too far.
This
bro.
thing's gonna run here for us, chat.
Yo, anybody in the stream just see that?
That's hilarious, dude. Alright. So, yeah, I ended up closing partials right here. Or no, more like right here. About 20 pips that was.
Partial TP?
No, just click custom close.
Custom close.
Yeah, if you click it right now, you'll have a closure right where I had it.
Close custom.
Yeah, buddy, we're gonna run here. We're gonna
Let's
run.
go.
Let me move my stop down a little bit. What is this? Night 2017. Oh shit! Let me do this real quick. Boom. Copy Discord. Oh, we're bleeding, boys. Oh, baby.
Little 40 pipper. No.
Out. Done.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
no.
Oh.
TP smashed.
Yes, sir. Here we come.
Right here. Does it do it?
I just closed another half, so I'm 75% out of this position now. Here at 50 pips.
Yes, sir.
Let's see if we can get this thing to continue running. I'm gonna put my stop a little bit in profit now that we're 50 pips up. And yeah, let's see if we can get full TP here. Can we get it? Ooh, big W's in the chat. Hey, I told you I felt a big one today.
Dude, nice.
Let's go. Close up some partials here. Full TP coming in hot. I'm gonna move. I gotta move my TP a little bit down.
Is it off today?
Wow. Bleeder, boys. Here we go.
Jeez.
Oh, let's go. Smacked.
Yo.
Smacked. Done.
100 pips.
I'm out, boys.
Bro.
I'm out.
Super
the
nice.
phone.
Sheesh.
Oh.
That next 15 brought the heat.
Dang.
Beautiful. All right, chat. I'm out of here. I got about 100 pips on that move.
That was it.
Let's go.
On that 5%
Nice trade.
risk, dog. 5%?
Yeah, I was risking about 5% there. Yes, sir. Great job, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice.
Dude, that was great.
That was
Nice.
beauty.
Gold did the exact same shit yesterday. You guys know.
Dude, that was great, bro.
I told you it was time. We had Bruce Buffer in the house.
Let's go.
100 pip dubs, baby.
God. Yo.
Let's get a little
Yo, likes on the stream.
Hey, yo, like the stream, sub to the channel,
We
chat.
eating, bro.
Come on,
We
man.
eating. Come on.
Jeez.
Tag me on IG on this 100 pip bleeder. Get a screenshot of it
Come
now.
on.
And tag me on Instagram, guys. That was
Straight
a
up, my
beauty.
guy.
That was a beaut. Hey, yo, my TP got slipped. So I actually got more pips out of that. I had my full
First
TP.
time ever? First time? dude?
Yo, it got
I've never seen
slipped.
that.
That was lit. If you get a 1 hour close below here, it could drive some more, but I'm cool with that, man. That was good.
Yeah, we're up. 100 pips, bro? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yo, how do you see how many pips?
It usually tells you up on the top right hand corner on your. It'll say it like in blue.
I see it in blue.
Are you still in the trade?
No, I'm out of there.
All right, so
Yeah.
yeah, it's not gonna show it anymore, but this is
I
it.
made 92.58.
Hey,
92
yo.
bucks
Let's go.
on a 10K account.
Let's go.
That's 1%. Let's get it.
Yeah, 1%
Okay.
right there. Beautiful.
Okay.
Bleed.
Let's go.
Wow.
Sick.
Sick.
And that's why
Yeah.
we wait for quality setups, gang. That's why you don't see me settle for any dog shit setups. Because I know which ones I want to take and which ones I don't. Bleeder, boys. That was what, 15-minute entry too, right? We took that off of? No, 30.
30.
5.
30 flip, break of the current. 5. Yeah, it kind of was based off the 5 too,
Kind of.
but
I
not
was
really.
looking at on the 5.
Yeah, once that 5-minute close like that.
Yeah.
That was a
That
guy.
no top wick. No top wick rejection off the EMF. Ooh.
Shit.
And that
Calm
Fibonacci
down,
was in
bro.
there too, and the moving average of the Bollinger Bands, and oh my god, yo, this shit bleeding. Yo, this thing's ripping. All right, let's mark that trade up.
What a W.
W.
Be cool if it could keep driving, because then tomorrow will be also very beautiful on the daily time frame.
Driving. What did we say?
We're gonna start going down.
This was our full TP down here, right? This support. So if this daily candle can close below support here today, like Sam said, it's gone, bro. And then what do we know, chat? Let's look at the weekly. Rejections. Perfect, man. We had a read on this all week long. Beautiful.
Dude, beautiful. This is a stream for the books.
Yeah.
Literally, go back to the beginning of the stream and you'll hear us talk about how we've been waiting for sells before there was even any bearish candles printed.
Facts. So what time did we get activated there? Was that like 9:40?
Oh. What was it?
I think so.
It was.
Look at the history.
It was 9:39:37.
All right.
Oh.
Cool. Let's do 9:40.
39 for me.
5:11. 23. Gold. Sells. Breakout. Previous. Current candle. 30-minute. Full. Closed partials at 20. And full TP got hit at 100 pips. W chat. WWWNBC.
Yo.
Amazing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wow, dude, this thing is bleeding.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Yeah, dude.
There you go. Beautiful trade,
Smell it.
man.
I could smell it, bro. I feel like Big Bruce the shark.
Fact. Yes, sir.
Dude, where is it at? The chat that I put that in on
Ooh, does not feel great, dude. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, no trades. Massive banger on a Thursday. Dang.
Yeah, man, that pays for the whole week right there.
For real, bro. Where's Unc at? Come on.
Word.
Yeah, bro.
Where is
Imagine. And see, now let's think about this as a scenario. Let's say this week you took dog shit setups. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, boom.
Yep.
You're beat down emotionally, and then you see the setup come today and you don't take it because
You already risked too much.
Yeah,
Right there.
because you're spent.
Bleeder.
stick to the quality.
Hashtag
Quality over
bleeder.
quantity.
Yup, exactly.
Hashtag crackhead mindset.
Facts. That's why you guys don't see me, worried about some of those other trades, because there's always another trade around the corner, right?
100%.
And you want to wait for exactly what you want to line up, and that's what we did here today.
Nico flexing.
Is that good?
Ooh, my man.
Hey, Nico
Nice.
with the dub.
That's good. I just see blue numbers. I know that's good.
If it's blue, it's good.
Bro, that's my first trade, bro. Like,
Let's go.
second, but the other one was $4, bro.
Oh, nice.
Let's get it. So wait, are you closing like a little bit when you're in a little bit of profit?
What's that?
Are you like closing out a little bit when you're a little bit in profit? Like what's the $6?
Yeah, I like
Let it
what I
break
did.
even.
I put I clicked close custom and it did that.
Oh, gotcha. Because it's at 25%. I gotcha. So
Okay.
you can change the close custom. I don't know if Nick's went through like the whole setup for Magic Keys.
Yeah, we put it to 8%, I think.
Okay, and there you go.
Oh,
You're
so
good.
I think the bottom one is the 80%, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know.
The bottom one.
Yeah, I got
Bottom
my
one.
my close custom is I think 90%, and then I got close half, and then close whatever the other one was.
And why is this green?
As it hit your TP. without you pressing anything. That's always the best thing to see.
Let's see.
Fire.
What a W, Nico. What a W.
Thanks, bro. Dude, you guys, man. Woo.
We're here, bro. We're here. We're gonna make it happen, dude. Lives are changing.
Patience
I'm just
pays,
like-
man.
I'm just nervous because I got 7 days left on my account.
Plenty of time. Plenty of
If
time.
you finish in profit, then you're good.
You're good. You're gonna retry.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, okay.
As long as you're positive, bro, you should be fucking on cloud 9 right now.
Hell yeah, bro. Dude, I'm so hooked.
Bro,
I can feel that.
I'm so hooked, bro. Like, dude, let's go. Let's fucking go. What
Oh,
a team.
George, 6% today. Hey, Scott, 6.8. Let's go.
let's go. First trade in South Carolina too. Come on.
That's true. Yeah, man, that was a nice trade. Good work, boys. Still dripping too here. Still driving. Look at that daily candle. So that's why we were bearish, right? That was all that was a top wick.
Yes, that looks so beautiful looking at in retrospect.
Oh, that's.
Or not even in retrospect. It's like
Yeah.
we planted the seeds earlier.
On to the next.
Trading day done. Beautiful, boys, beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We deserve it.
Alright, time to go make some more money. Let's go.
That's a legendary trade. First trade in the new house. Yep, nice. What a trade, bro. Yeah, that was a good one. That was
Nice.
good. Technically, I took last night on a demo. Hey, gang, any positions? Yeah, we took this sell here. I wrote earlier, gonna be 2013. Yup, one trade and done there. Wow, she's still driving here.
Yeah, man. I wanna get it. But
I don't wanna take it. On to the next.
Do we have news tomorrow?
News
I do
tomorrow?
not think so.
¿cómo?
I do not think so. The only news is really on
Sí,
Friday.
yo tengo que comprar más porque estoy grave.
When's the NFT? Wasn't that this Friday? Tomorrow?
Adibala, if you're in the YouTube live stream right now, you should get it. His my Forex thing says he has 0 days left, but the trading day doesn't end until like what 4 or 5 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, you should be good to get those extra days or whatever. But he's at 53K on a 50K, so he only needs like 2%.
W caught 150 pips. Nice, J Trades.
Sheesh, J Trade's eating.
Beautiful. For that, good daily closure now. Yeah, now we wait for the daily closure here for tomorrow. You guys holding runners? No, my full TP got hit right here. It's right here. Right at that support.
Wow, nice, yeah.
Very,
Actually, it was
very
my
nice
full
trade.
at the
30-minute candle close. Lovely. Very nice.
I ain't even mad. Like I got like 25 pips from that. But I just like the W, bro.
Yeah, no, I closed partials. I closed 50% at 20.
That's what I
22
should have done.
pips. And then I closed another partials, another 50% right around here. And then I was 75% out of the position, and then full TP. The rest of it got hit.
Yeah, nice.
Just got
I
automatic
closed
tapped.
where you closed your first 50%. I closed 90, and then at the next one was where the rest of it just got hit. TP.
Nice.
Beautiful though.
Yes, sir. Good win. Amazing job, guys. Yep, amazing. Everyone who took that trade. What was the explanation for the trade? Oh yeah, let's do it. So the reason why we took this trade here is the daily candle was bearish. We understood that we were coming up to make a top wick. As this candle was flipping bearish, we had this resistance here that if we close below, so we did close below on the 30-minute time frame. We had this support here that there was an 80% chance that we were gonna retest the support. So 30-minute candle plus the NYSE open, right? You had volume coming in. We got a little bottom wick, came up, created a beautiful top wick here. And yeah, entries are at the break of the low, and that was the trade.
Yep.
Yeah, we had a bearish bias on the day. We said all morning we were waiting for a resistance to form. You got one resistance here, you know, that we didn't jump on. We let this move go because we understood that news was in the way at this point, and this news came out, it came down, it came up. Either way, we closed. We had another resistance formed. We didn't jump on this, no closure below. We didn't jump on this. We waited for the 30-minute to close patiently, and for that top wick, and bam, that was the move. Going along with the higher time frames here.
Yeah, you don't need all them indicators. Like, think about how many confluence that is just with price action.
Yeah.
You had 30-minute closing below.
Yep.
You had that big top wick. You had NYSE open. You had the daily bias bear. You don't need all the indicators, bro. Use your eyes.
4-hour fake out too here, like we mentioned. 4-hour fake out. 1 hour fake out as well. 30-minute resistance was up here. We kept rejecting it, so it's pretty obvious. Pretty obvious move. Remember at one point I told you guys just close your eyes and sell?
Yeah, you had like a 300 pip day.
Yeah, seriously. Well, we're off to a good start here in May. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins, 1 loss, 2 break evens here. I think there was 2 trades taken off stream for that. 1 win and 1 break even. Let's see here. Oh, a lot of people off the phase 2. Congrats. Amazing job. Accidentally won this account on the funded trader giveaway. Hey, nice. I'm taking full advantage of this. Good job. Mark still got a runner going. Nice. Guys, is it 100% true if I am in profit gave me the extra days? Yes. Yeah, I think you can get a free retry as long as you're in profit. So just if you're in profit, make sure you got profit with your commissions included, and then just email them tonight. Awesome trade, Nick. Thank you. I got some kind of delay when I entered and exit positions. Yeah, that's because it slipped our take profit. So if you're in profit with no time left, they give you a redo. Yeah, if you're up 6% or more, then they give you 14-day extension. Yep. NYSE wave. Yep. Are you trading GJ today? Nope. Nope. Trading's a journey and not a destination. I just can't tell just what tomorrow brings. Facts. Damn, bro, I'm sitting here wondering how I could have passed phase 1 with this trade, but I kept taking partials. It's fine. That's okay, Scott. Yep, just stick to the plan, man. Heading off now, guys. Thanks. Thank you, Nick. Awesome stuff. Thanks, George. See you later, bro. See you tomorrow for Friday. I'm up 6.2, so I can ask for 14. There you go. Hey, we need one more like here on the stream for 100. Can we just, someone like the stream? I just want one of you guys to like it. If you guys took that trade and took a win, like the stream, man. Come on.
Absolutely.
Come on, like the stream, sub to the channel for more trades just like this one.
There it is. And like, it says 106.
There you go. Yeah, so you made 106 bucks.
Oh no, 106 likes on your stream. And bro, my lot size was, if I'm not mistaken, lot size, it was 3 in between that. The sell and buy, it's 3. Is that good?
Yes, sir.
To keep it there?
Yeah, you can keep it there, yep.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Isn't that like 3% risk?
No, it depends on how big his stop is, really.
True.
Or you could just, you can risk based off percentage too.
Yeah, exactly. I'm based off percentage, and it was my stop loss and my take profit were at 2%.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Okay. Yeah.
So probably wait today, no trade. No, yeah, just get your 14-day extension, come back tomorrow and try and get another nice trade. That's your best bet. Yeah, do not take another trade today, Adam. Just listen to me, I am speaking to you. Do not take another trade. Email my Forex funds right now. Yeah, exactly. Do not take I repeat, do not take another trade. This is where it all falls down for traders. They go, I'm right there. Let me take another trade, and then donezo. Now you have 14 days, yeah, to get 1.7%. Yep, exactly. That sounds a lot better than trying to get 1.4 by forcing a trade right now. The trade's done, man. That was the move. That was the move. Time for some twisted metal.
Who said that?
Donald.
Donnell.
Donald took 2, or Donald or Donnell. Yeah, not. But yeah, nice. 2 trades today for you, bro. Good job. Way to go. Staying patient in the London, staying patient in Asian, and coming and executing here in New York. Okay, Nick, I won't take a trade. Yes, do not take a trade. Possible reversal? Yeah, possible. I'm done here. No trade, no more trading for me today. It's always that one last trade that kicks you in the nuts. Yep. It turns into then you lose it, and then it just becomes a downward spiral from there. So just close the day on happy thoughts, happy feelings, Adam, and know that now you got 2 weeks to make 1.7%. Well, just live this day with that great feeling. Right? Don't take another trade and then ruin that feeling. Just you get an opportunity now to live today with such a great feeling for the rest of the day. That goes for all you guys. You take a win, you can leave these charts today and just have an amazing day knowing that you You made money by sitting at a computer. Right? Enjoy that. Enjoy that. Don't spoil that. I used to spoil that all the time. I'd be like, oh wow, I made X amount of dollars. How much more can I make? And then all of a sudden I start taking losses. Now I'm playing this game all afternoon long, trying to recover losses and make back things. That's just so dumb. So dumb. Scott, you too. Do not take another trade. No one trade. No one take another trade. Signals channel got paid.
For real.
These boys ate.
No. Bangers left and right for them.
They got full TP, man. Full TP smashed. The signals chat, yeah, they caught. What did they get? TP. Yeah, that was nice. Hey, young Chris, what up, bro? Yeah, let's end the day with that amazing victory. Yeah. I used to make 200 a day laying underneath fryers at McDonald's changing pumps out. Oh, I never even imagined this was possible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anything is possible. Beautiful. W. On to the next trade, gang. Right? Quick little celebration, and then now we just on to the next one. Yeah, I wouldn't take any more sells here. You do have clean traffic to the left, but that was the move, man. Look at that hourly candle. Wow. But yeah, chat, that's gonna be the day here. I'm gonna call it. I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday. Friday's gonna be a good day. Somebody asked if we have news tomorrow. Yeah, we got some news. 10 a.m. prelims. So not too bad. Should be a good one. But alright, chat, hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, on your way out, like, sub to the channel. Appreciate you guys coming in. Green, all the mods, RedFX, Scott, George, everyone, appreciate you guys coming in and doing your things. And everyone at Zoom, thanks for the input today. It was a great stream, and we'll do it all, get to do it all over again tomorrow.
Can't wait.
Alright. Later, boys. Later, boys and girls. Y'all have a great day, man. God bless. Later, later.
Boys.
Peace, man. Hey, hey, you took a great win today. Go out and get an even better win and do something for somebody in need today. Whether it's giving them a $5 bill, whether it's giving them some food, maybe something to drink, help them out. Maybe you got some old sneakers that you can give away. You know, maybe a lot of homeless people out there got really crappy sneakers. So something, maybe do a little something, right? Yeah, exactly. Buy someone a rotisserie chicken, man. They're like $6. It could feed them and their dog. If you see me, I'll take it. If you see green on the street, give them a rotisserie chicken, man. I'll holla at y'all, man. Have a great day. Love you guys. Peace.